अच्छा अब ये बंद कर दे म्यूजिक।
सबसे पहले यार अच्छा वाह यार वाह संस्कार यार
हाय
Hey, what's up, man?
नाइस टू मीट यू। क्या नाम है?
Shiv, yeah. Billa.
Sick.
Yeah, Billa. All right. I like vegetarian. Yeah, same. Ayatollah is the flavor of the day, bro. Right, yeah, Iran and Israel, yeah. It's also what Israelis say when a friend comes from Malana. Ayatollah. One dude lying on free Palestine. And then turn over, fuck you, Iran.
Nice.
Yeah, we represent all sides. We're fair and balanced
Like I was meditating.
on this podcast. Yeah.
And in life.
Well, I don't know. Sure, I'll let you lie.
Thank you. That's very fair and balanced.
Yeah.
I have to come into that zone now first.
Also get closer to
थोड़ा आलाप कर लो आलाप।
दे हाँ लेकिन अगर बोलते का सेंसर करना पड़ेगा बस यही है
यार
देख
get
लेना।
beat up.
बोल तो सकते हैं सामने बोला हुआ है
बोल सकते
यार
हैं, मैं-
बोल तो सकते हैं
Every
but
other
हाँ।
episode I say it and we just bleep it out or we add. हाँ हमशी बोल सकते हैं। Exactly, correct. But हम purposely नहीं बोलते ना, वो तो कहता है this निकल जाता है मुंह से। You know, that's what happens.
निकल जाता है
निकल जाता है।
निकल जाता है
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what it is.
तूने
चला लिया तू
Yeah, it's all recording actually.
Oh.
It's been recording.
अरे बहन चो स्टार्ट में ही पै होने वाला है यार
I got you saying yeah.
Okay, let me tell you this is the first time that
Yeah.
it's just too close now.
अच्छा
It's too close.
No,
Okay.
no, you wanted to
Like,
be
can you
like
pull
close.
it a little close in fat actually थोड़ा सा हाँ थोड़ा सा उसको जितना करना करो तुम्हारी मर्जी है just be comfortable
हम कितने ऑर्गेनाइज्ड हैं अच्छा
Yeah.
अच्छा today we have a special guest with us well we have two but we're starting with Akshay who is a bona fide तू करता क्या है भाई
Advertising agency.
अच्छा and artist का भी कुछ बोला था
Artist management.
can you move the amp
करना
closer?
जरूरी है? नहीं.
No, it's just for us to for our feedback and honestly it helps with the conversation so that
Yeah,
we don't talk over each other but up to you it's personal preference
It's too suffocating
हाँ
actually.
sure
Yeah.
don't
Yeah,
I feel you.
maybe-
मैं भी नहीं पहनता।
मैं तो
I saw you in the podcast. You were removing it again and again.
Yeah, because
मेरे से
ये
खुद
पागल
नहीं हो
है
पाएगा.
अब इसकी काम की वाली से तू चुपती है ना और उसको बाल बचाने होते हैं कि वो मेरे मैं आज बाल धो के आया मेरे बाल खराब हो जाएंगे
Dude, I mean yeah.
well you know
Anyway, so
really so we have Akash with us
Akshay.
oh right what's the
Yeah, you just met him.
what's the
Who are
difference?
you again? Sorry.
What's the difference between Akash and Akshay
Akash has double A and I have a single A in starting.
अच्छा नहीं but meaning wise
Akash is Akash.
यार आकाश नहीं पता
नहीं
देखा।
और अक्षय का मतलब क्या होता
It's omnipresent.
है oh omnipresent but Akash is also omnipresent
Akash is
स्टॉकर
present
कहीं के
oh interesting okay
Oh, and
and your name Shiv is also another name for Shiv na
Shiv is
crazy nice
well, actually the
Yeah.
fact that we noticed recently only, like 2 years back.
They saw me, they said, ऐसा बनेगा हमारा उल्टा.
No. His parents' name both.
okay
Father's name Sanjay. My father's name is Sanjay.
damn
Mother's name is Jyoti and my mother's name is Jyoti.
okay तो करो कि बेटे में
Crazy.
थोड़ी सी
Wait, तो
variation
तुम
करो.
भाई हो गया?
at least there's gotta be yeah damn man
In fact, our parents are the same people.
I mean in fact we're brothers
In fact, yeah, we have the same parents.
turns out we're related by blood no but and your family friends have you known each other for like you know your families
Past
known each
10 years,
other
I guess.
Because of his cousin, bro.
oh interesting
Rahul.
right
shout outs to Rahul
yeah
Yeah.
what's up Rahul how you doing man
है कहाँ बहन का लड़ा
who knows
उसको बोला था आजा.
ये बोल रहे हैं वो फूक फाक के
सो रहा था.
अच्छा
Sunday मना रहा है वो।
क्लासिक
मैं चाहता हूँ उसके पेरेंट्स के देख ले भाई.
उसके भाई नहीं इसके पेरेंट देखे हम दोनों के लिए मुसीबत हो जाएगी भाई मेरे पेरेंट्स तक जाएगी कब और
में बात कर रहे हैं और हमारे से ऑस्ट्रेलियन में.
कश्मीरी में?
हाँ वो कश्मीरी है.
Accent and Australian
अच्छा।
accent with friends.
ओ
देखो
मेरा भी
दोनों
निकल
के
आता
बारे
है
No, he has that slang.
रंगियों के साथ।
उसका नहीं वो स्लैंग आ गया वो परमानेंटली. वो
Okay.
छोले भटूरे भी स्लैंग के साथ मांग रहा है.
where is he from
He's from Delhi only.
okay
पंजाबी कश्मीरी
Oh,
लाइक
Kashmir.
पंजाबी बट
Like
he
you.
lives in Kashmir
कश्मीर
he lives in Kashmir right yeah
No, before they were driven out, he came back. He came here. They started like pushing them out, but he joined in Delhi. He was like Delhi रहेंगे.
दिल्ली में सब बाहर से ही हैं। दिल्ली का कोई एक्चुअली कोई नहीं है।
नहीं
नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं है but like I mean Delhi is really it's between Haryana and Punjab
Mixed culture है.
yeah surrounded by Haryana there's like a little bit that touches Punjab
Yeah.
but really yeah It's a capital that's carved out of whatever the fuck.
हाँ दिल्ली की
Some
पहले पॉपुलेशन बहुत कम
cosmopolitan
होती थी.
wagon.
हाँ जी.
पॉपुलेशन बहुत कम होती थी.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया की पॉपुलेशन से
इससे ज़्यादा-
भाई ये ना
ज़्यादा.
चेयर खींचो इसको माइक पे
हाँ ये
लगाओ,
off
देख-
mic ना यार, this
हाँ,
is going to be a
ये
problem.
तो
for you,
इतना
right?
रिफ कर रहा है ना. एक और चेयर लाए, तुम दोनों
आवाज़
शेयर
नहीं
कर
आती,
लोगे.
आवाज़ नहीं आती.
तुम दोनों शेयर कर
These
लोगे.
won't
वो
be-
उसने
These
वैसे ही
mics-
नहीं
these mics
पहनना.
won't catch it.
कर लेंगे share यार.
उसने हेडफोन नहीं पहने तो माइक की बात कर रहा है. How is he going to?
मैं कह रहा हूँ ऐसे शेयर कर लेंगे ना ऐसे बैठ के.
अच्छा.
Can we
They'll put it like this for example.
No, it's just. I mean, it's going to be shit.
Okay.
It's not going to be podcast worthy.
तो फिर pause.
Yes. Yeah.
No, he
When
won't be
we
able
bring
to.
you in,
I know
then-
he won't be able to.
Billa's going to go for a nap. Yeah.
Billa's got to take his free Palestine nap.
अरे why don't you just hold the mic and then just pass it amongst each other?
Some Fanta, so I don't take it.
Damn.
Dedicated to the cause.
I don't know they're adding caffeine to Fanta, huh? Sugar.
Lot of sugar.
Right on. Nice, dude. Yeah. So who's Rahul? What the fuck does Rahul do? How did he introduce you to?
So Rahul and me are childhood friends.
Got
And
it.
Rahul is my cousin.
Oh God,
His cousin.
it. Yeah.
His office friend, and we met through Rahul.
So you've met through Rahul.
We met through Rahul.
They also
that
met
is-
through
this
Rahul.
Rahul
We've
guy
all
is-
met through Rahul.
Rahul guy is a
He's
social
connecting
butterfly.
people everywhere.
In fact, I met
वो बस
Billa
उसकी
before
वजह से
I
लोग
met
मिलते हैं,
Akshay.
खो खुद नहीं मिलता किसी से.
He's just like Nokia. He's connecting people.
Right on.
वो घर पे खराटे ले रहे हैं. सबका ये मिलन चिलन करा के नहीं मेरा काम हो गया.
Yeah, that's what I also want to do. यहाँ
Yet
वाला.
you're
He's,
here.
what he's doing is he's pawning off his friends. He's like, yeah, I'm tired of hanging out with you. I'll introduce you to some other
Ah,
fucker.
ये-
Why
Delegate,
why don't
ये
you
friendship कर ले
why
मेरे
don't you
भाई.
start hanging out, man? I feel this is a better fit. Yeah.
good
Yeah.
enough.
This is a good strategy.
Genius बंदा.
I got it. Rahul has got some.
Shiv's not here, no.
He's not a school friend.
He's not our school friend. We met him through Rahul only. Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, this guy's everywhere. He's involved in every
Damn,
relationship.
He's connecting people. I'm telling you.
Damn man, Facebook उसी ने बनाया. Mark Zuckerberg ऐसे ही बैठ गया. बेफालतू का.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Yeah. So how's your Sunday going, folks? क्या कर रहे हो आजकल?
Great was
Yeah.
relaxing.
Uh-huh.
Then I got a call.
Okay.
कि भाई यहाँ
Bro.
पॉडकास्ट कर रहे हो.
There you go.
Content के लिए हमको बंदा चाहिए.
मेरा काम भी actually यही है.
Oh, what are you into? What do you do?
So I have an advertising agency in Delhi.
Okay.
फिर ये बहनचोद एपिसोड बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए हैं. ठीक है, तेरा तो काम ही
वो
है.
मैं खुद प्रमोट करूंगा ना क्योंकि इसको.
Okay.
Yeah.
बस आ गए 100 सब्सक्राइबर.
Amazing.
बस
Done.
बात
So we
खत्म.
can upgrade the setup then. Yeah.
दूसरा कैमरा आ जाएगा तेरे को ऐसे लिटा के दिखा देगा.
This guy- yeah.
Then I have an artist management set up in Delhi itself and an
Okay.
influencer marketing set up in Mumbai.
Oh, very cool. So तुम बीच में बैठ के पैसे खाते हो?
मैं बीच में दिल्ली में बैठ के ऐसे खा
Love it.
So you're the guy who tells Yuvraj to shake his ass on TikTok, huh? Because
If he wants to, we'll pay for
you
it.
got to increase the
Whatever brings the views in, right?
Someone's paying for my butt on TikTok. Yo,
He's got the
No, they're
strategy.
paying actually.
say more.
Yeah.
You shake your ass on TikTok, they're paying for you.
You're right.
No, but who wants to see Yuvraj shake his ass on
There
TikTok?
are a lot
Excuse me, plenty people.
Yeah,
There's a lot of sex maniacs who wants to see him. Must be.
people are
Dude,
depraved.
you need to tap into
people
that
are
market.
depraved out there, man. Yeah.
Or you can join OnlyFans as well.
Uh-huh. OnlyFans
And
is
then they
only
can
the-
tap you.
Because TikTok is not legally available in this
हाँ
country.
फिर मेरी माँ का ओनली सन हो जाएगा. ठीक है. That, बस. हाँ वही मैं आउट हो गया ना.
Yeah. Well, you can be her daughter that she never had.
But nee, these sites are.
वो डिपेंड
paying
करता है कैसे
crazily
टाइप का
heavy.
ओनली फैंस.
Interesting. No, but TikTok pays you for advertising, whereas OnlyFans you charge directly to your
Directly
subscribers,
to
right?
the subscriber, yeah.
Interesting. But वो OnlyFans इंडिया में legal है ना?
नहीं.
People have an account, I'm sure.
Okay. TikTok तो
People
नहीं है.
sitting in this room must have an account.
Right. Yes.
No, just to watch it.
I don't.
You can't be a.
Dude, these people on OnlyFans are earning a lot, man. Like I would do it.
No, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Top
Do it.
sellers are like
Do it.
top artists
could
are
try.
like getting paid like $1 million a month.
$1 million a month.
Dude, even more
That's
than
nuts.
that. Yeah, but
I
that's
heard
like
it.
top
I
1%. Like
recently
something
I heard
out.
this.
0.01% is making $1 million.
Right, of course.
But
that's
that is
always
top, no.
99.9% are making less than.
Jack, yeah, nothing.
Yeah,
like
there's
that.
always the Matthew principle,
And I heard somewhere this girl came on over some other podcast and she was like, some guy asked me to pour milk on myself and he paid me like $5,200 for it.
Okay, great.
That's an oddly
5
specific
minutes.
number.
Dude, easy money.
200.
Easy money.
Exactly, she precisely told that $5,200 he sent me twice.
Damn, bro.
And I was like, $10,000 bucks? $10,000?
10.4 for some reason.
For some
50
reason.
इसके बैंक में इतना ही था. लौंडे के बैंक में इतना ही था. ये पूरी सेविंग्स देखकर कह रहा था यार 10,400 एक बार 2 बार निकल सकता है इसमें से. ठीक है.
कह रहे इतना टैक्स देना है मेरे को, इतना मेरे ग्रोसरी में, बाकी इतना बचता है.
वो एक्चुअली अकाउंटेंट है.
से आशीर्वाद चढ़ाते ना वैसे 51 21 ऐसे करके.
हाँ यहाँ इक्यावन देते थे.
Crazy.
That's wild. That's wild. Yeah, dude, milk. Yeah, some of these kinks, na. Some of these kinks like really weird me out. Like they don't make sense to me. For example, like I don't know if you know, I'm sure you know what piss pigs, right? People who want
Piss pigs?
Piss pigs.
Piss pigs.
People who want to be pissed on. Now, tell me something. I don't know about how your penis works, but my penis, when it's hard, I can't piss. So how do you get hard when you're trying to do the piss thing?
No, it's
Dude, what do you mean? I wake up in
that's
the
to him,
morning.
basically, it's hard to him then.
Yeah.
It's hard to him.
Yes, yeah. No,
But I
because,
wake up in the morning and I have to, and I piss.
no, because
like,
the vast difference
after-
actually, yeah, it
With
really,
your morning wood.
Yeah.
yeah, it's harder to piss in the sense. Of course, you can piss, but it'll just be it'll be going all over.
You'll just be watering the plants. आप
मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा कि भाई तुमको
आप सब पौधों को पानी दे रहे हो फिर और कुछ नहीं हो रहा.
Dude, sometimes when I'm really tired, I'll have a sit down wee.
sit.
But that's just a me thing, I think.
Okay.
I love sit down V's.
Well, you have
It's
you
great.
do a lot of feminine things. You got face masks and your makeup.
I do.
and, cosmetics.
What about my masculine pink pants?
They're very masculine.
Yes. There we go. That's the right answer. Just speaking about all this Landwand, Tooth, वगैरह वगैरह. You guys seen this movies come Chamkila?
नहीं मैं नहीं.
And you know about Chamkila? Like this old Punjabi star.
दिलजीत
तू नहीं
दोसांझ और
तू
परिणीति
तू
है ना
कुछ नहीं
उसमें.
जान सकता अभी तू बिना माइक के है तू जानता है तो बता.
Artist, I just know one thing about him, that he died like at the age of 27.
हाँ, he's the
Oh,
27 club also.
27 Club.
Interesting.
He was the biggest artist.
थोड़ा और पास कर ले माइक में.
He was
And-
Punjab's
नहीं, माइक
biggest.
को पास कर, स्टैंड को पास कर ले.
Bro, this
And
guy
he
was.
was
हाँ.
quite big. He was quite
He
big
was
in Punjab.
Punjab's biggest artist in the
interesting.
80s. Punjab's biggest artist.
In the 80s.
In the
in fact.
80s.
Wow. Okay.
And so
So
इसका
that's
क्या?
why I haven't heard of this.
And
author.
so what he did is basically वो हमारा role model है. वो ऐसे बुंड बुंड का type गाने. But he made real songs like कि देवर ने भाभी को this that.
यार उस जमाने में
whatever.
कुंडी got into trouble for all this though.
And yeah, these like dirtier tracks about
Right.
actual things he's seen in society. He's seen somebody like peeping and on women taking showers or whatever. He's made a song on that kind of shit.
Okay.
What
You
was-
sound very excited
what,
about
what,
this.
So, huh?
what was he
You
doing?
sound very excited.
No, because
He was writing, bro. He was taking
writing the
notes.
song.
He was taking notes.
What was he doing at that time?
भाई वो लाइफ को ऑब्जर्व कर रहा था. वो लाइफ को ऑब्जर्व कर रहा था as it was happening around
काफी
him.
बड़ी observation.
उसने
थी इसकी.
अश्लील चीजें ऑब्जर्व
जैसे वाइल्ड लाइफ फोटोग्राफर्स जो होते हैं जो अनएथिकल होता है उनका टू लाइक mess with
Unethical
nature.
songwriter है.
Yeah, it's like this is nature. I'm just experiencing nature.
नहीं वो पीप नहीं कर रहा
Indian
था.
man in its
He
natural
knows
habitat.
of this guy peeping or something. He wasn't a
I thought he was
pervert.
there
No,
in
no,
the
no, no,
scene.
no. He didn't do this shit.
He was peeping on the dude peeping. It's like what does the
I mean, yeah.
Indian man?
It's
in
kind of
his
like
natural
an
habitat.
peepception.
Yeah.
You know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, so what about Chamkila then? Is it the
Well,
movie is about his
I-
life and
Yeah,
You saw
and
the
about
movie?
his murder and shit. Yeah, I saw it. It's got Diljit as
yeah,
Chamkila.
Parineeti is also in it.
Pariniti Chopra is his wife, who is his. They were a duo, him and his wife.
Oh right.
So she plays that.
Sort of like he's the inspiration for Bagga Safri, it would seem.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
He also talks about milky tits and shit like that.
Okay, very
So
interesting.
very
But in
quite
Punjab.
explicitly actually.
Back in 90s, 80s, sorry.
That's pretty cool. Yeah.
I'd give it a 3-star the movie, like
Right.
5, but it's worth a watch just to see culturally.
3
that
stars is
thing.
literally the 4 stars is must watch.
No, I didn't say must. I said it's
यार
worth
ये
the
क्या
watch.
स्केल बता? I do 0
I said
to 5
worth.
stars.
I said worth.
हाँ, zero-
हाँ,
No,
तो
1 and
मैं-
2 you
that's
don't
what I'm
watch
saying.
only.
What are we saying? The 4 stars
That's
is
why I
worth
said
watch.
3 and worth the
Must
watch. Khalas.
Yes.
0 you must watch. But that's the exception to must. 4 पे जो शुरू होता है ना.
Okay, how did we get to lunch to Chamkila because of the
He
people
makes
the
these
subject
kind of
matter of his
songs,
yes, of
but
his
he
art.
doesn't use
Right.
he doesn't use bad words, but he will give you
समझ
images,
गया, yeah.
imagery like somebody coming on somebody and shit like that, whatever.
Okay, very
Very
interesting.
artful writing.
Right.
इसका
Amazing.
गाना सुनना पड़ेगा.
और ये है available Spotify वगैरह पे देखने के लिए.
YouTube पे तो होगा. Spotify नहीं, I haven't checked.
Spotify नहीं होगा. Artist
Right.
के plays ही नहीं होंगे.
Spotify.
Oh right.
Artist of the year थोड़ी बना देंगे उसको ऐसे. उसके plays बढ़ेंगे.
चमकीला भाई का भी trust होता है जैसे माइकल जैक्सन के trust, they're making the movie.
He's Michael Jackson eventually.
Right, that's what I'm saying. So
Abhi-
Mr. Chamkila doesn't have someone looking out for his assets, intellectual property.
Abhi, so what happened? I'll give you a small thing on this. It's quite funny. So, I mean, it's sad he got killed or whatever, but it's kind of funny that he used to sing all these dirty songs. This one militant, like, religious organization, they're like, "Ye band karo this Gana, whatever." And then he took out a devotional album. And that devotional album became so famous, it's still famous. Like, this guy who made all these songs.
Taken
And
notes,
it
bro.
became his biggest album. Even though his previous albums were already Punjab's biggest albums, the devotional album outsold all of that.
No, so he should have
Baba
taken a hint and just
Nankana.
started doing bhajans.
Yeah, he did bhajans. Baba Nankana, Tera Chhut Gaya, and all these songs like insane. And then नहीं तू मरवाएगा यार.
He probably has that one. He had that one in the pipeline though.
Yeah, the pipeline, yes. But, yeah, then he did all these, and then audience kept saying, "नहीं वो वाले गा जब भाभी पे line मार रहा है वो ये," and then he started listening to the audience. He went back and did this. So those guys who said they'll kill him, they killed him.
Oh right.
Oh,
He got
crazy.
mocked.
Yeah,
I don't know that. Yeah.
him and his wife.
Wow.
When they
So
came
he's
for
the
a
guy that
concert.
inspired you.
In Punjab, they always keep on killing artists, यार.
Yeah, man.
What
और
is
कोई
this?
काम ही नहीं है.
मतलब कोई आर्टिस्ट उठता है उसको
पंजाब में इतने बेरोजगार यूथ सारे बैठ के जी हेरोइन कर
Heroin
रहे
करके
हैं, हेरोइन
snacking.
कर रहे हैं, मर्डर कर रहे हैं, हेरोइन कर रहे हैं, मर्डर कर रहे हैं, बस. और
जो
कोई काम
heroin
धंधा
करे
ही
वो
नहीं
कभी कोई आर्टिस्ट भी बन जाता है. टॉमी सिंह.
Tommy Singh कौन है?
है जिसको मार देना चाहिए.
यार कोई रेसलर ने भी हेरोइन करते हुए पकड़ा गया, कोई रेसलर पंजाब का.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
Damn man. Yeah, I mean drugs
Classic
is a big
wrestler
problem.
from Punjab.
Drugs is a big
No,
problem.
Olympic level. Wrestler.
Okay.
They used to call it ना state of 5 rivers. Now it's state of 5 drugs.
नेम करियो 500 के 5.
5 नहीं पता.
आता फिर
Drugs.
5 drugs बता सकता हूँ कौन कौन से वहाँ पर.
वही तो पूछ रहा
वाह.
हूँ. Reverse थोड़ी.
मैं नहीं जानता.
Heroin, cocaine, hip hop. What is it?
और सब पाकिस्तान से.
घर का खाना और
पराठे.
मक्खन.
पराठा मक्खन.
पराठा बक्कर दो अलग ड्रग है.
सबसे बड़ा
Five,
लस्सी.
man. That's tough.
लस्सी. ओ भाई लस्सी की लाइन ना खींचना भाई. ये that's the chitta you got to avoid bro. भाई आप खींच
No, but
गए.
it's actually a drug. You
Yeah,
have it in
yeah.
afternoon.
बस
You've gone for
आप
long.
गए.
You've gone for long.
आप लंबे टाइम के लिए गए.
हाँ. एक प्लेट छोले भटूरे and then a लस्सी.
वो था
भोले चटूरे.
You missed out a big crucial component. छोले भटूरे would knock you out regardless, I think.
लस्सी उसके ऊपर. It's like ketamine ले लो.
Akshay's national breakfast.
अच्छा अक्षय का नेशनल ब्रेकफास्ट छोले भटूरे. अक्षय
Wait,
स्टेट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ अक्षय क्या है
मेरी
क्या?
अपनी
तेरा national
वो है ना एक प्रजा है मेरी अपनी छोटी
तेरी
सी.
प्रजा है.
Okay.
अच्छा.
मैं बेचता रहता हूँ. ले आओ.
छोले भटूरे बेचता हूँ.
How are the tax laws? Can I immigrate? How are the tax laws? Can I immigrate to your?
There are no taxes.
There are no
I
taxes.
only
Okay,
pay taxes.
amazing.
Sometimes.
Amazing.
तो टैक्सेस की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. अभी लास्ट डे था ना.
अच्छा और इसका रियल एस्टेट कहाँ है आपके देश का?
गुड़गांव.
अच्छा
अभी लास्ट डे का है टैक्सेस भरने का.
ये तो एल्विश यादव है.
हो गया.
हो गया.
अच्छा.
चला गया.
अभी तो था, इसी वीक था.
वो लेट फीस के साथ है अब.
हाँ, okay, that's fine. Yeah.
बट हाँ सब लोग
exactly,
मतलब लास्ट वीक आते हैं तो सब
Someone-
ऐसे एक्टिव हो
someone
जाते
else
हैं.
do it for me.
नहीं क्योंकि मेरे से ये ना हमेशा जुलाई का असर पूछते हैं कि हाँ यार टैक्स भरने थे. मतलब हाँ जुलाई में होते हैं. मैं seriously
लास्ट
नहीं
ईयर जुलाई अगस्त तक एक्सटेंड हुआ था. आई रिमेंबर
Okay,
दिस.
right. Yeah, exactly.
इस साल भी
वो
एक्सटेंशन.
एक्सटेंशन मिली थी थोड़ी.
हाँ अभी भी चल रहा है
एंड समटाइम्स
extension.
आई बिलीव दैट सीएस आर लाइक कि अब थोड़ा फीस भरेंगे ना ये तो हम उनमें से चीज निकाल लेंगे.
अच्छा.
अच्छा.
आई हैव सीन दैट.
Oh, interesting. But maybe that's the case. Yeah.
यार बड़े सुस्त होते हैं. मैं तो सारी चीजें लास्ट मंथ ही दे दी थी और वो वेट करते रहते फॉर द लास्ट फकिंग वीक. फिर मेरे को फोन करने लगेंगे व्हेन आई एम आउट एंड शिट कि भाई भैया का ये दे भेज दो वो भेज
कि
दो.
एक्स्ट्रा पैसे भेज दो हम भर देंगे.
हाँ मैंने कल लिटरली पैसे भरे रात के 9 बजे. लाइक व्हाट द
अच्छा हो गया डेडलाइन.
I don't know.
Business
Exactly. This is the first time hearing of it.
या
Yeah.
No, वैसे it's 31st of March.
Okay.
स्कैम.
स्कैम तो बहुत है.
31st of March. नहीं,
वैसे
1st April तो
generally
start
yeah
of
that's
the financial year
supposed to
होता है
be.
ना.
But
That's the end of the financial year.
fourth
That's when
quarter,
you're supposed to file all your accounts. But they
No, you
always give
can't file it
extension.
because you don't have the statements from the bank for the previous month. You don't have the statements from March, na? You only get the statements from March.
September you have to file your return.
That's what हाँ September return. No,
September.
वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ यार. बाद में होता है रिटर्न फाइल बाद में करने होता है भाई.
Last date to file return.
अच्छा
I guess there are two.
हाँ, तो
बैठे रहो यार.
मैं तो कह रहा
पता
हूँ,
नहीं
Fuck it, यार
अभी
सीए भरता है.
अभी रात के 9 बजे ये भर रहा
यार
है.
नेक्स्ट टाइम एक सीए को ले आओ भाई पॉडकास्ट पे.
अच्छा.
हम बड़े
तू अपना ले आ. बड़ा काबिल बंदा लग रहा है.
वो छोड़ देगा. उसके बाद ड्रॉप कर देगा आपको.
Wild. Yeah.
Speaking of wild guys, World War 3.
Nice. Let's go.
हाँ.
I'm down, man. Listen, India never picks a side. We just like sit on the sidelines and enjoy the thing. You know, play out.
We'll still not pick a side.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
Classic
I'm
us.
down. We'll actually benefit this time.
Yeah.
Yeah. In terms of global economic trade and all of that.
और रॉकेट मारो
हाँ, बहुत सही है. तो क्या इजराइल ने वापस मारे? नहीं, इजराइल ने मारे supposedly और ईरान ने वापस मारे और 99% इंटरसेप्ट हो गए.
हाँ क्योंकि आयरन डोम.
Iron Dome है उनका. Yes. Fuck yeah.
भाई आयरन डोम काफी क्रेजी होगा. वो फायरवर्क्स इन
Bro,
द स्काई.
it costs about $1 million.
It's like a
per
war condom.
interception, by the way.
Yeah.
Something like that. It's really expensive. Yeah.
So war costs a lot. Like war costs more than $1 billion
No,
every
but
time it happens.
this is
But it makes so
This is
much.
prevention of
They
war,
make
right?
so much.
Yeah.
But US gonna make so much out of it for sure.
Yeah.
As long as Joe Biden is paying for the interception, who gives a
Exactly. Yeah. No, there was a certain amount of it was the American ship that was there, but I think a lot of it is also because they have their own setup.
They bought the system from
हाँ लिया तो अमेरिका से ही है, of course. Yes. हाँ.
अमेरिका भी तो उनसे कितनी चीजें लेता है ब्रो.
तेल.
इनफैक्ट हम भी we also buy like Israeli
तेल उनकी
Bro,
इज्जत.
by the way, I believe the
Weapons
highest percentage of FDI in Israel is Indian actually.
Hmm.
Yeah, Adani owns the port of Haifa. Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Israel and hills also. The lot
हाँ
of
अपने
Israelis
पहाड़ों
are-
Yeah,
में
yeah.
अपने
There's a lot of
पार्वती
Israelis.
और
पार्वती
वहाँ
में
पे तो
सबसे
dude they've been there for like 20 years.
अरे
वो वहाँ जाके बस
They've
जाते
opened
हैं.
their cafes there.
Yeah.
अपने कैफे खोल अपना खाना बेची जा रहे हैं.
उनका यार कंस्क्रिप्शन के बाद जो उनको 1 साल का वो छुट्टी वुट्टी मिलता है ना वो यहाँ के गायब हो जाते हैं बहन के लोड़े यही
Dude,
होता है
I remember वहाँ पे hills में they opened a hotel.
dirty immigrants fucking हाँ, sorry.
जिसमें Hebrew में मतलब साइंस वगैरह थे and there was no Indians allowed.
The fourth
Bro,
Reich.
no Indians allowed in India. हाँ bro, no Indians allowed. Only Israelis
No
in that
Indians
hotel.
allowed.
Yeah.
In the
Dick,
hotel
dick.
in Kasol.
Yeah, yeah.
अच्छा,
कुछ
यहाँ
गलत
से
कह रहा
बेचो
हूँ
ना, यहाँ की सरकार नहीं है वहाँ पर क्या वो ऑरेंज.
भाई वो उनकी दुनिया चल रही है, उनका शहर है वो. अपना बना के रखा है उन्होंने.
भाजपा की है.
यार बट ऐसा अगर मेरे साथ कोई लोग होते मतलब जिगर वाले तो मैं we would break in.
that's a rude word you can't say that
What?
Jigger?
Oh,
With the hard
never
R,
mind.
bro.
Jigger.
very bad
Bleep it.
Yeah. Yeah. That's a certain kind of Jewish man with an African American persuasion, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But no, Israelis are smart.
Israelis
They are
they are fucking smart.
They are
man.
fucking smart.
Yeah. The Ashkenazi Jews are, I believe, the highest IQs in the world on average.
But doesn't matter.
Huh.
One German is more than enough for them.
Just Ashkenazis.
Just
not the-
Ashkenazis, yes, no, not the brown Jews, not
What
the
a weird statistic, bro. Funded by some Jew.
not the Sephardic Jews. अबे यार ये
This.
सरफाड़े जूस सरफाड़े जूस कौन सा
not the Sephardic Jews.
Sephardic Jews.
Sephardic.
अबे Ashkenazi are like the white,
Yeah, the
white
northeast-
ones.
Yeah.
आशिक बाजी एंड सरफाड़े
Yeah, and then Mizrahi भी होते हैं.
Yeah.
Jarda Arab Jews.
Well, you know.
great thanks for culture
But they also have, because they also have the
But they all claim to be the same race, by
higher
the way.
propensity.
All Jews, they all claim to be the same race, come from the same race of people.
Uh-huh.
But they're white and they're African and they're Arab and they're everything else. But yeah.
Race is a political construct.
Yeah.
like everyone
We
is
fucking, yeah, we fucking
I'm white. I'm Caucasian.
But it took them one man only, bro. It took them one man only to complete them off. Like,
क्या मतलब?
to wipe them off.
Jesus. Jesus.
Yeah.
I mean he had help
Jesus or Hitler? Who
Hitler
talking about?
mama
Hitler.
Jesus wasn't wiping them out
Well, originally, no. What Jesus did was he nicked their fate in the, he added a new
Jesus
faith.
was a Jew though.
Jesus was a Jew, but he created
Then
this
he's like,
new
I'm no-
faith, and
then he what?
He created a new faith, na? He created a better version. So like the Jews essentially died off because a lot of the Jews became Christians.
They were
so
scared,
to
no.
speak, huh?
They were scared because of
I mean,
Hitler itself.
yeah, but like one would argue Jesus actually killed more Jews than Hitler did.
wow
That's
a hot take
yeah. I feel like defending
Conversion.
Hitler is a hill I don't want
Jesus
to
was
die
like,
on.
मेरी जगह तो ले ले अभी.
this conversion hot yeah conversion you've
conversion.
killed generations
Also, Jesus died a Jew, no? Like when he died, he was
Yeah, because Christianity came.
Then he
after
came
that.
back again.
right. Came back as a
so,
Christian. Came back
so
as a-
basically he was a Jew first he's like nah I gotta reboot
I don't want to live this life.
कुछ और बन के आता तब देसी बन के आए थे yeah
So yeah, so
Yeah, yeah.
Hitler was actually trying to convert the Jews by killing
he
them.
was telling them देखो
They'll come back
Jesus
as
ने भी
Christians.
किया मैं भी तेरा करा रहा हूँ
Hitler
ना
was so strong that he converted.
He converted all- they all came back as Christians.
He has converted Jesus also. Like, fuck that. You have to change your spirituality.
Best conversion. He converted Jews into gas.
wow solid to gas
Into ashes.
he was a chemistry enthusiast
Physicist, bro. Physicist,
Yeah.
Even,
Yes.
I hope you know
Either
that.
or.
Even Albert Einstein
Science.
was a Jew.
yeah.
science
Yeah.
Yeah, yes,
Einstein.
exactly.
He ran away
He ran away from
Hitler.
Who ran
right,
away
of
from
course,
Hitler?
yeah.
Nobody runs away from Hitler. Who ran away from Hitler?
No, Albert Einstein ran away from Hitler.
Albert Einstein has
Nobody
never
ran
run in
away,
his life.
yeah.
You seen that motherfucker?
Damn, dude, what
He's
is
like कि मैं
Einstein slander,
मैं
bro?
US आके nuclear बनाऊंगा.
उसको बहन जो कंगी करने से फुर्सत हो
He stopped combing his hair. No, forget it. Waste of time.
अच्छा भागने जो लग गया था ठीक है fair enough sorry Al
Fuck, man. OJ died.
हाँ भाई
O.J. Simpson.
O.J.
He
Simpson
died?
yeah
He
he
died,
died परसों
He
cancer yeah
He's dead now.
he's dead
Oh shit.
the juice
Yeah,
is
the
dead
legend, man.
Yeah,
Got away with
legend,
murder.
yeah, great.
much like the juice the juice is dead
Homicide.
Footballer,
What, he's a
movie star.
Murderer.
I don't know. Wait, he did that.
Movie star.
I don't know. He got acquitted, man.
Sports star.
Yeah, he.
hell of a
Legally, he didn't.
hell of a football player
Yeah. Hello.
Dude, imagine being so popular that you can get away with murder. It's crazy to me.
Yeah.
While
But
being
this is I like this
And the
theme.
jury, even the jury in his case,
Right.
was like he's not guilty. He's
Yeah,
not
because they were all from LA. The entire jury was from LA.
So
It was like, let him go.
Have
man.
you seen that show? The
O.J. Simpson.
O.J. Simpson,
First American.
American.
The
Yeah.
People versus O.J. Simpson.
yeah.
Talking about that one,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Yes, yeah. So actually, part of my race and sensitivity class that I took, we did the original ESPN documentary that preceded that show. That the show was based on. So
Right.
that was the whole thing, and it's really it covered up like how it was a national phenomenon where this whole white versus it became a race thing, even though it
Yeah.
wasn't. And that's
How was it a race thing?
yeah. So
The child-
the
he
defense
He killed a black man, didn't he?
He killed
No,
a white.
he killed
his
a-
white wife and
He
his
killed
wife.
his white pool boy.
So
I
that's
thought though he
fine,
killed the
no.
boyfriend.
He killed both.
The boy-
I mean, he
boyfriend was
didn't
also
kill
white.
both.
He killed both.
They
Yes.
both died. You see,
They
he
both
didn't
died.
kill them,
Right,
but
right,
they both died.
So he did. It was a black man, right?
Allegedly.
So I
he
guess he
killed
stabbed them from like.
Yes, yeah, there were
10
multiple
15
knives.
times.
They actually stabbed them each other and themselves. He didn't kill them.
Yeah, I've forgotten about this case, but yeah,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
thought I was under the impression that he killed his boyfriend.
No,
Yeah.
he killed his wife also, bro. What the
Yeah,
fuck?
yeah.
No,
I'm
no,
sure,
but he
I'm
went
sure.
there to kill his wife. He was
Right,
too
right,
hammered
huh.
from,
Yeah.
I guess, drugs. I guess.
No, I don't even know. No, I think it was because that she was cheating on him.
उसने
Yeah, it was a crime of passion.
That fucking
Drug-
hoe, bro. That hoe.
drugs उसने लस्सी पी होगी.
That hoe.
लस्सी पी के क्या होगा?
वो तो सो जाता
लस्सी
ना
पी के
फिर।
तो दिमाग किसी का भी घूम
हाँ,
सकता
वो
है.
उस रात अगर लस्सी पी लेता तो सो जाता
Yeah, lassi is a downer, not a
लस्सी
upper.
का down
उसमें
है।
छोले भटूरे छोले भटूरे मार के.
Yeah, nothing will make
But
you pass out like
this is our
lassi and
theme.
chole bhature.
This is our theme for the day. The Jews are dead. The juice is dead.
Right.
What is this whole- yeah, man.
Yeah.
Crazy.
So well, yeah, that sucks. He died.
Yeah, of cancer.
Rest in peace.
Yeah. I really enjoyed his his comeback on Twitter where he would just post videos of him golfing, and because he wasn't allowed, like he wasn't part of any like club, he would have to go to public golf courses.
Oh,
And he would just be. Can you imagine going to?
he just became a regular uncle after
I
that.
guess he became broke.
Yeah, for sure. For
Yeah, I guess nobody would want. To,
Imagine,
you know.
can you imagine going
sponsor
to
him for
going to
anything.
going to public golf course, and because you have to have like parties of 4 and stuff, and suddenly you go with 2 buddies and they're like, hey, you're golfing
Have you met
with
O.J. Simpson?
golfing with OJ. I don't know.
OJ, can I borrow your glove?
That'd be a fucking trip, man.
I won't commit any crimes. I swear.
Bro, it doesn't fit.
No,
man.
it's
The
in
glove-
that bag.
The glove doesn't fit, bro. You know?
And the policemen in this case were like, we have seen that bag going out of it. And he's like, no, there was no bag.
Yeah.
No, Netflix is showing that bag.
ये कब की बात? This is the 90s when this,
This
happened.
is
Yeah,
either
No,
either
I
like
guess
late
early
90s or
2000s.
early 2000s. Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, so
Turn-
it's quite. recent.
Turn of the century was
Yeah, for sure. This was also, by the way, the start of, I believe, 24 hours, the 24-hour news cycle, because it was like the cops following his Bronco on the highway.
And
It was a
everyone-
whole
Oh my
chase.
god!
The whole
It was the
chase.
start of the 24-hour
I
news
first
cycle.
I did not follow
proper
this.
No,
chase
I
scene.
studied
There
this.
was
I
a
had to,
chase.
had to,
Yeah,
had to
yeah.
fucking.
It's a proper
Yeah,
Grand Theft
right.
Auto
Yeah.
scene.
first car chase. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, have you? I love watching car chases. By the way, like
Bro, it wasn't even a chase. It's like an Escalade. You know, there's गाड़ी चल रही है उसके वो धीरे-धीरे चल रही है उसके पीछे
पीछे
आराम से
पीछे
cops
और
follow
पीछे
कर रहे हैं.
से-
They're not
पीछे
chasing
से
him
co-
at all.
एक helicopter
They're
आ रहा है
just
पीछे से.
following him because he was such a national icon.
oh right, so you know because they have this thing
They
that's
were
called a
treated like a
pit, with a pit maneuver.
Right.
So that's what I usually like. I love seeing those because it's like the cops will try to like ram you and like you know make you skid
Right.
off.
Right.
and
Right. No,
stop,
it
basically.
wasn't like that. He was being escorted.
Yeah. They were just follow. They were trying to get his autograph.
Yeah. Yeah.
Dude, I'm sure the cops that actually arrested him also tried to get a picture with him and shit.
They
No,
must.
a lot of them do it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
For
like they would have.
Sanjay Dutt was coming out.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, Sanjay Dutt was coming out. 2 policemen came in running towards him and he was like, "Sir, autograph." They both got suspended that same day.
अरे वो कुछ नहीं है. एक बार इरफान खान और मैं दोनों मूत रहे थे ताज के बाथरूम में. मैंने उससे बातें कर ली.
कौन?
इरफान
इरफान
खान.
खान.
Oh.
हमारी फोटो भी है साथ में सेल्फी जिसमें
Oh
बिल-
wow.
हाँ,
मुद्दे में सेल्फी ली तूने? मुद्दे में सेल्फी ली?
नहीं नहीं अंदर डालने के बाद मैं ऐसे
So wait, so you approached him while you were both
गाना
at the
भाई
hotel?
गाना 2 मिनट.
अरे नहीं
दोनों का एक हाथ नीचे है.
ऐसा है. इरफान खान मूत रहा था. मैं आया. मैं मूतने लगा. मैं देखा
तूने
ऐसे.
उसको
मैं कहा इरफान खान. मैं कहा सब बिग फैन. मैं निकाल रहा हूँ वो निकाल रहे हैं. मतलब ऐसे हम अपनी नदियां बहा रहे हैं. फिर हम हाथ धोते. he's like oh you watch my हम हाथ धोते. So he's asking me questions by talking this out. I'm like yeah this that.
Yeah.
मेरी दादी also was a big fan of his. So I was like मेरी दादी बैठी हुई say hi to. He's like
Oh my
yeah,
god,
sure.
बेचारे को छोड़ के बाथरूम करने आया है वो.
नहीं
और
फिर
फिर
दादी
पड़
में
गया
सेम
उसके.
बाथरूम.
हाँ
Yeah.
and yeah
That's cool though.
He came over, he chatted with us for 3, 4, 5
Seems like
minutes.
a
It was
nice guy.
nice. He was a very nice,
No, no,
gracious
he's-
chap.
I heard that he's a very he was a very humble guy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you've seen his dick. I
Yeah,
mean,
he had no
So like a chat.
Yeah,
like
did you get a peep?
like a quick,
What are you
quick
backing?
5
No,
minute
no,
chat
I
is not such a
respect
big-
the artist. Hello, I was focusing on my own work. Yes, he was humble.
Fuck, dude.
Sick.
So,
So-
yeah.
You know, you said you were in advertising. I've been working with this like marketing guy in Southex, and yesterday I called him. And we were supposed to talk at like 3 बजे or something. तो मैंने उसको phone करा, and he late हो गया था. तो मैंने 3:30 उसको phone करा कि क्या हो गया. And then suddenly he says कि सर मैं तो आग बुझा रहा हूँ, या पूरी बिल्डिंग में आग लग चुकी है, फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर खत्म हो गए हैं. And I'm like, what the hell, ये कैसी जिंदगी जी रहा है.
कभी कभार मार्केटर्स को
But यार, ये I think-
वो आग लगा देते हैं.
यार but I wanted to go check because मेरे को लग रहा है झूठ बोल रहा था.
हाँ, you should have
ये
gone.
बहाना था.
You should have gone. उसको टाइम चाहिए होगा. उसने वो प्लान रेडी नहीं करा होगा.
Yeah, and अब मैं कुछ बोल भी नहीं सकता. अच्छा आग लग गई, and he's like actively बुझा रहा हूँ मैं.
मैं से बात करो ना, बुझा रहा हूँ.
एक सेकंड बाद में बात करूँगा सर, अभी आग बुझाने दो.
No, there are a lot of agencies in Delhi actually.
I'm going to use that.
Lot of agencies.
A lot of agencies.
Yeah,
like
lot
more
of.
than 10,000 agencies, I guess.
Yeah, this guy was in Southex.
Must
Yeah,
be
but
knowing
anyway,
them, huh?
yeah.
Anyway,
so-
go on. Yeah.
We cannot name them, no?
What go on? I finished the whole story while you were on your phone, dumbass.
funny था.
They have ऐसे बहाने आते हैं कभी कभार कि you cannot believe them.
Yeah, dude, but I will use that one. That's a good one. Like I had nothing. I know
उसने
retort.
बोला कि आग लगी दुकान में.
हाँ पूरी बिल्डिंग में आग लगी, मैं अभी बुझा रहा हूँ सर, फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर नहीं मिल रहा.
There you go.
No.
The call back
Wait,
is,
what's that?
Bro, cigarette, please. Yes, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Doobie is fine. Doobie is चरस चलेगा. सिगरेट मत पीना बस यहाँ पे.
चरस लीगल है यार, मतलब
Yeah.
हमारे मन में,
बोला कि हाँ तो तुम्हारे देश में और मेरे
हमारे देश में.
अरे यार इससे
ये
एक
भी
चीज
जैसे आपका देश है.
इससे
यहाँ अपना लॉ चलता है.
exactly.
लॉ भी है.
जो है सो है.
डोंट एडमिट टू एनीथिंग. बॉबी शुमर्टा के साथ क्या होता है, उसने पूरी अपनी हिट लिस्ट अपने गाने में रिलीज कर दी. देन दे टुक हिम टू प्रिजन.
Yeah. Well, मैं तो पीता भी नहीं हूँ, ये सब पीते हैं.
या एनीवे मेरे को इससे याद आया.
There's another song. मुझे भी
थ्रो
उससे-
अंडर द बस.
मुझे भी उससे
Nobody
याद
will
है.
enter arrest you is snitching instantly.
I'll edit some of it out. We'll see.
नहीं, it's fine. Keep it.
We'll
It's
see.
fine.
We'll see what I edit.
Bro, it's fine. Keep it. Anyway, तो मुझे इससे एक बात याद आई. मैं पार्क में वॉक करने गया था अपनी कॉलोनी के, और वहाँ पे कुछ बच्चे बेंच पे बैठ के कुछ रोल कर रहे थे. तो अब
ऐसे नहीं करते, मैं बताता हूँ.
नहीं तो यार अब मेरे को अपना बचपन याद आ गया. And I don't feel like I'm that old, you know. So I was like, usually what I would have done in this scenario would go up to them, you know, make some friends, get a talk or two. But as I started approaching them, ये बच्चे डर गए कि भाई अंकल आने बताओ मत देना, वो छुपाने लगे चीजें. I'm like, bro, मेरे कितने बुरे दिन
ये
आ
लो,
गए.
मेरी तरफ से लो. तुम पियो, जियो जिंदगी.
तो यार अब पहले तो मेरे को लोग कहते थे हाँ भाई और क्या हाल है.
The
But
circle
now
of life.
they're like hiding shit, bro.
Circle of life ना. अब तू
जब अंकलों से मैं डरता था पहले,
अब तू अंकल ही बन
मैं
गया.
अंकल बन गया.
अंकल
I'm the
होते
same
हैं.
guy.
Actually, how the things have changed now. Kids used to play cricket in park.
Right.
Now they're rolling.
Bro, तो like kids
नहीं,
even
नहीं,
back then-
बड़े आके बैट मांगते थे कि हमें एक बॉल खिला दो. अब बड़े आके जा रही है, हमें एक कश पिला दो.
अरे पार्क बड़ी डाइवर्स जगह है.
Yeah.
बहुत सारे कार्य वहाँ हो सकते हैं. कोई लोग चुम्मा चाटी करते हैं,
अरे
कोई लोग फूका फाकी करते हैं.
famous park, no? That Buddha Garden.
बुढ़ा गार्डन. हाँ, बुढ़े चलते रहते हैं. बुढ़ा
Central
गार्डन.
Delhi.
सेंट्रल दिल्ली में
हाँ.
बुद्धा गार्डन.
बुढ़ा
Very
गार्डन.
famous.
ऑल अंकल्स. बुढ़ा गार्डन.
सुन लेते रहो. 6 बजे.
इन्होंने बहन के लोड़ों ने हेडफोन नहीं पहने ना, तो
अरे
यही
it's
प्रॉब्लम
not that, bro. Not everyone's gonna acknowledge everything. कभी-कभार मैं भी
ठीक
बस
है.
बोल के बस भूल जाता हूँ.
नहीं यार, suffocation होती है उसमें.
सफोकेशन तो गले में होता है ना, कान में कौन सी
एकदम
सांस
से
ले
लगता
रहा
है कि
है
सब गिर गए.
नहीं मेरे को भी I feel like I can't hear what's going around
Exactly.
me. Like this is the same problem I have with helmets.
This is what I'm doing, no? He doesn't have a similar problem
But
with bikes.
we are not promoting that. You should wear helmets.
don't
You
do what
should
I
wear
do.
helmets.
But I feel like I ride better when I don't have a helmet on because I know where everything
Same,
is.
I
Like,
hate condoms.
मेरा perception increase हो जाता है.
Right.
और हेलमेट पहन के ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे को कुछ
सब
सुनाई
close
नहीं
हो
दे रहा, मेरा विजन ब्लॉक हो रहा है.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, that's why. if I can avoid
but you should wear helmet.
I also hate condoms.
it. Dude, if they start taking advice and following what we do ना, then ये कुछ नहीं बता तुम.
Yeah, gone case.
भूल
man.
जाओ, bro.
Look,
Yeah,
you're
guys.
in the wrong spot.
Guys, drop out of college, start a podcast, go for it. Go for it.
Yeah, in like 6 months you'll get to 100 subscribers. And,
Yeah.
that whatever.
हो जाएंगे हमारे 6 महीने में.
हो जाएंगे.
हो तो
हाँ, हो
जाएंगे. We started in
नहीं
Jan.
हुए, नहीं 3 महीने.
January में start हुआ है.
3 महीने हुए. Yeah. I mean, if you go by that logic,
Yeah,
we'll far exceed.
right.
Well, but that's still not
Far exceed 150 हो जाएंगे.
Dude, I'm telling you, we just need to offend the right people,
right. Exactly.
and then
yeah.
instantly
Yeah.
success.
Then there is
So
a-
Rahul Gandhi, Modi, Amit Shah. Okay. I'm just living.
Yeah. Suck a dick.
Magi Bhais, you know. Yeah.
So
Magi
there's a
Bhais.
process that you troll the best people, then you go to jail, then you're famous.
Dude,
Right.
that's what I'm saying.
I'm down.
What if-
Bro,
can you
whenever
do
I
those
bring up
things?
anything offensive, these guys pussy out like fucking little bitches.
What if you do those things but in a different order? Because
Yeah, I mean we've already checked this.
Yeah.
ये दोनों जेल जा चुके हैं.
So-
I'm the only one who
yeah.
abides by the law in this country.
Because you can mold it.
so that's what
Yeah,
makes
well, have a good legal team.
अबे
you know?
तो हो गया. Now it's just make fun of people get famous. वही तो रह गए. हमारा सेट है भाई. तुम जाओ जेल सालो.
पर वेप पी सकते हैं यहाँ पर
Yeah, for sure, man. Yeah.
सिर्फ सिगरेट छोड़ के.
Oh, yeah.
हाँ,
there's
vape पी
a
सकते हो.
particular smell with the cigarettes.
वो दीवारों में
सिगरेट में वो बास रह जाती है ना हवा में.
हाँ, that's
the
the-
tobacco seeps into the
So
walls.
second, okay, when you came to Gurgaon wale house, no?
Hmm.
Yuvraj, you came at Raul's, I guess, farewell.
हाँ.
So I had that rule in that house that you can
No
smoke
sut-
everything in the house
but not
except the
sutta.
cigarettes.
Exactly. It's the same with me.
Because
You can
there's
use
this pungent smell
Yeah.
and it stays forever.
It's very
Cigars,
stale.
cigars,
It's very
tubes,
stale.
Yeah, it's all fine. No,
Yeah,
honestly,
so-
it's cigarettes and also ganja नहीं पी सकते यहाँ पे.
वो
गांजे की
तो
भी- exactly.
पीते
Yeah.
भी नहीं है यार.
हाँ, just पूरी building
मतलब
पूरी
कि
building
मैं
में
कह रहा
सबको
हूँ,
पता चल
this is
जाएगा.
जिसको पीना जिसको पीना पीना मैं नहीं पीता.
Yeah, man. You can't do that shit.
That's pretty funny. Yeah. No fucking dude. I don't know if you guys saw this. Chechnya has banned dance music.
Dance music.
About time.
Yeah, no. Chechnya has banned music above 116 BPM.
Oh, what the hell?
Yeah, under 60.
Pretty good.
Under 60 and over 116. You cannot.
Dude, but the
It's inadmissible.
like
Under
Russians are
60
so famous
also.
for
Under 60, yes.
What the hell?
Because it does not conform with Muslim tradition.
Yeah, technically
60
music
BPM
is
is a
haram.
problem.
60 BPM, 60 to 116 की range है भाई इनकी.
But I heard this for the first time. Like you're talking about this. कि You don't play music in Ramzan time.
हाँ, तो music technically is haram, but poetry is
It's
not.
haram.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's yeah.
So you're telling me music, like actual pleasing to the ears, would
Is
be
haram.
haram, but these bastards doing spoken word poetry, ye haram nahi hai?
Poetry is not.
Because
Shairi,
spoken, have
poetry.
you heard spoken word poetry? That shit is
Yeah,
haram.
but
What is
nobody
music,
follows
yeah?
that.
What is-
Nobody
but-
gives a fuck about.
But what is music?
Unfortunately,
Music is
people do.
poetry.
Huh?
Music is poetry.
Music is music. But yeah.
Depends on who's
I
written
mean,
it.
it's a, nobody follows that rule, bro.
If Chamkila has written it, then
Then definitely poetry.
poetry.
Definitely poetry.
On others, Bobby. Someone peeping.
And
on.
other people. Yeah, lots of.
But that's pretty nice. I mean, but like, so under those rules, I think hip hop should be fine still, because a lot of hip hop still would
Hip-hop is
fall,
poetry.
fall in that range.
Bro, nobody gives a fuck, bro.
Chechnya इस जगह में लोग कानून follow करते हैं. I think.
They give a fuck.
Yeah, Chechnya because you'll probably die, dude.
But I believe
yeah.
इतने strong religious वो नहीं होने चाहिए.
For sure.
थोड़ा
Yeah.
freedom होनी चाहिए इस चीज में.
Yeah, but the reason that like Russia gave Chechnya autonomy is because
They're retarded.
no, I think the agreement was कि sorry. The reason Chechnya entered the fold of Russian influence is because Russia agreed कि हाँ ठीक है, we'll let Chechnya be like a Muslim
Yeah.
country and all of that.
No, not Muslim. Like self-governed.
Self-governed, but also Muslim Islamic country. But then
हाँ, तो
because,
they want to change them being Muslim. Why would they
No,
care
because-
if they're
because-
Muslim or not? They're Muslims in Russia.
yeah, but like
There are Muslims everywhere in the world.
I know word like basically where the laws are dictated by
Muslim in this
by
room.
Muslim practice as opposed to because in Russia that's not the case.
Right. So Sharia.
Yeah. So that's
Yeah,
why
yeah.
they let they entered Russian influence because that's the
So
kind
they
of
wanted
deal-
to remove Sharia, but then they came to a key like.
Again,
कर लो.
अगर Russia by force करती तो they would of course remove Sharia because then Russian law would apply.
They
But
would
they're
have
like,
I mean, they
removed
bombed the-
everything
they bombed
want.
the shit out of it.
Russians want.
yeah.
Once Putin has said, everything is removed.
But that's the deal that was made. That's why I mean, these kind of things like fucking happen.
Dude, the only Chechen I know is fucking Khamzat Chimaev.
Yeah.
And that guy is an absolute killer. Bro.
Is this
Yeah,
a
but he
UFC
didn't-
fighter or something?
Savage.
He
fucking-
never got up the ranks and he couldn't like get a champion.
No, because nobody wants to fight him.
Yeah.
Nobody will sign a contract with him.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I mean, he beat Gilbert Burns, which is a very, very tough fight.
Yeah.
And you know, he's top tier, bro. He's like evil Khabib.
वो खतरनाक था, bro. He won a couple of fucking fights back to back. One was like back to back
Yeah,
in a month. And
because
shit.
people thought he was just hype. So
Yeah,
people took
exactly.
fights with him, and then he literally finished all of them in like the first round.
Or
Then he had some
he's
tough
welterweight,
fights.
no? Welterweight or middleweight?
He is 185, whatever that
Middleweight.
is.
हुआ,
He
but-
was welter, he was pushed to middle because he didn't make the weight.
Right, he missed weight one time.
Yeah.
But he's whatever he's fighting at now, which is I think 185, which is
Middleweight.
yeah. So Adesania's division. नहीं, but उस division.
आज कौन जीता?
Pereira. Oh my God,
Pereira win last night.
dude, Pereira
It
is
was last night. It was
nobody
last
is dethroning Pereira. Like,
Nobody's deep throating Pereira. Deep throating?
You could be deep throating Pereira.
I'm sure there's some broad out there, man.
He's seeing a lacuna in the market.
yeah, I love hook.
Oh damn, bro.
night. No, he put them as an ass.
Damn, bro.
So he stuck his pinky up his throat and deep throated him with. Okay, so he deep
One of the
throated
pink,
him.
one of the stick.
Yeah, he deep throated him with his pinky, bro. That's nuts.
Oh, that's pretty.
crazy.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, that guy is a beast. In fact, the whole card was good. There was also Max. Yeah, Max. So they basically
अबे
क्या क्या हुआ?
बीच बोलते के बीच में तो पागल है.
What happened?
Bull.
So Max Holloway and Justin Gaethje at the basically he got a knockout round 5 4 minutes 59 seconds, which is and 5 minutes ka round hota hai, and round 5 is the last one.
Right.
So it's like literally the last second of the fight he knocked Gaethje out. They just stood in the fucking middle and started banging.
Gaethje?
Gaethje.
Achha.
Yeah.
Gay lesbian G, bisexual G.
Okay.
KG भी आ गए हैं.
What he was inquiring was when we
Which
were
one guy?
Yeah, when are we doing
start the
inclusive?
switch. You want to switch
Yeah.
out? Yeah. Get Mr. Billa in.
Yeah, go for it.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Also because ये fight के बारे में I could see he knows shit.
Yeah.
मैं तो खुद ही हटने वाला
He himself
था.
was a UFC fighter, no?
Oh really? Amazing.
You're US?
अच्छा.
Only on Xbox.
आजा dispute करते
Only
हैं.
on Xbox. Come on.
अच्छा ये हमारे अनडिस्प्यूटेड UFC चैंपियन आए हम इनका डिस्प्यूट करते हैं.
Hey guys,
Jay
Putin.
Mr. Billa, Mr. Shiv.
दोनों यही हैं.
All in one. Yes.
Yes.
There you
वाह.
There you go.
Good man. Yes.
निकले.
It's called being professional, guys.
Suffocating इन दोनों के सांसें रुक रही हैं मेरे पहन के.
ये mic को अपना.
हाँ ठीक है ना.
हम पास आ जाते हैं.
I think that's good.
Okay, that's quite forward.
But this is quite a different experience.
Yeah. Because you actually hear people talking.
Yes.
Yeah. So you're actually more cognizant of
So you know when to shut up.
Yeah. Speaking over each other होता है थोड़ा बहुत. वो तहजीब की बात इसमें है नहीं. कोई यूपी का.
तहजीब कहाँ होगी?
यूपी का ये जवान लौंडा.
यूपी से ही तहजीब आई है.
शुक्र कर तहजीब उर्दू वर्ड है इसलिए इसको पता है.
Yeah. Dude, तुम तो मत ही बोलो. कि
तहजीब एक बहुत हॉट लड़की का नाम भी है.
क्या बात
अच्छा.
कर रहे हो?
हाँ.
उसको बुला लेते
मुझसे
podcast
मिलवा
पे.
दे यार.
नहीं
अगले
नहीं
podcast में उसको
तरस गया मैं.
let's
आप अभी फास्टिंग करो.
हाँ.
हो गया यार, एक महीने कर ली मैंने.
आपके पाप ज्यादा है आप थोड़े और करो.
Don't be fast. Keep fasting. No, but you guys were talking about UFC. Yaar, it's like one of my constants.
Yeah.
So I wake up every Sunday to watch it.
Yeah.
Today was
Wait, you watch the fight nights and all those as well?
everything.
Oh, okay, so you're a bigger fan than me.
Bro, I started watching like one championship Matrix fight night in Delhi.
One though I would also watch some
Wild.
fights.
Matrix.
In fact, so even some Muay Thai fights I watch, like Joseph Haggerty type.
I
Joseph
watch.
Haggerty?
Yeah.
crazy.
Joseph Haggerty?
I watch a lot.
You
of
should change his
Matrix
name. It's
actually,
offensive.
Yeah.
Matrix is. I know one of the trainers, Jahangir. He's a very close friend.
Acha, sick.
He's running this gym called Warriors Cove in Delhi and Gurgaon.
Dude, I know Warriors.
Oh,
Cove.
that's where I also went for 2 months. For
Why the
MMA.
fuck did you go to Warriors Cove in Gurgaon?
वो जमादार था वहाँ पे यार.
Dude, it's so far for him.
No,
Jahangir
it's
is-
20 minutes drive.
So Jahangir trains, I think, 3 or 4 champions in India. Like
Crazy.
A1, they have the best setup also, the best crowd.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
मैं
because
जो जाता
that-
था वहाँ पे पता है मुझे.
So these guys are the guys who got me into MMA, bro. Like in 2010, 2011.
2010. That is before I even knew what MMA was.
I went to uni Indiana, तो वहाँ पे कुछ होता नहीं था. Time pass में Friday, Saturday को UFC आती थी तो.
कुछ तो देखते हैं भाई. हाँ.
But today's card was, I think, the best card they could have kept.
Yeah, and I
for-
was not like I thought they were going to fuck up UFC 300,
Same.
but the card was good.
Okay.
Like the last
Why,
three fights.
why is 300 so
Yeah.
important? Because it's 300.
300, dude. 100
30
told
years.
me.
Okay,
30 years in the making.
Right.
Yeah.
300
There's only one 300.
Haan, 300 pay-per-view.
30 years. Yeah.
Also, you know
30
what they
years?
announced? They announced Islam versus Dustin.
Hinduism.
It's yeah, that's the.
Islam was
I mean, that is the fight.
Islam versus
That
Hindu at UFC 3 or 2.
That is the fight
The current fight is Islam
versus Judaism. Yes.
Yeah.
Islam
वो
versus-
next round
Islam
होगा.
versus Sikhism कर चुके हैं अपन.
हाँ.
Islam सबके साथ कर चुका है फाइट.
Islam
Islam's
was-
the champion.
But जब until it's Islam versus rest of world, तब तो
ROW में लग जाएगी.
Islam is like that triggered kid in class, bro. Who really?
I don't know
you
which
say
one you're talking about now.
Anyone say one kid, everyone had in their class one triggered kid. You would say anything to him or even touch him like this, and you would just turn around and start fighting. So
हाँ,
like
तू जानता है मेरा बाप कौन है?
at a larger level, Islam is becoming that only, but only with these couple of extremist leaders and countries. Otherwise,
Oh,
bro,
I thought we were talking about Makasha, bro.
वो तो कह रहा
went
हूँ,
deeper,
वो तो
bro.
धर्म और बंदे में अपन ना
UFC की माँ का.
no, but because UAE is so chill, bro.
हाँ.
Yeah.
इतनी
It's a
मजेदार
function of
country.
prosperity. I think also that those are older Islamic cultures. यहाँ पे अब ऐसे जहाँ पे like in South Asia and stuff where it's spreading as like a newer phenomenon. I think there's
What is the new? Like Islam is
like,
new.
Like Indonesia में the spread is relatively newer compared to how it is in
Yeah.
the Middle East, right?
But it's still
तो
pretty
उसपे
old now.
हाँ but relative scale पे है
Yeah.
यार, relative scale पे नहीं हो तो वही तो वो नया मुल्ला ज़्यादा प्याज
बस
खाता
खाता है. I was remembering.
Oh.
है. ये सीन थोड़ा चल रहा है.
You've also heard
ज़्यादा
of
प्याज
it,
खा रहा है.
I've been thinking of it ever since. I knew he's gonna come with it.
Did you say this at my
He
house?
said it. No,
But
he
you
said
also-
it.
Oh yeah, you
He said it
in
on the
that
pod
podcast.
episode that you watched.
Yeah,
That's why I
yeah.
was.
Oh.
Yeah.
Crazy यार.
तो basically तू दांत ब्रश कर. बहुत प्याज खा रखे तूने.
But मैं नया वाला थोड़ी
ये
हूँ.
थोड़ा नहीं.
अगले
That's
episode
all
में
I've known.
अगले एपिसोड में इसके सामने कटे हुए प्याज लगा देते.
This is slander.
We'll give him some
Why?
onion rings.
ये इसको रखेंगे ही नहीं. कटे हुए प्याज का प्लेट रखेंगे इसकी चेयर की जगह.
Every time he comes over, इसलिए मेरे को भूख लगे मैं onion rings order करूँगा.
But yeah, man, good to actually see progression in these areas.
Like war, attacking people.
Oh, bro, honestly, I'm like a pacifist, but this kind of situation really excites me for some reason.
Right, yeah.
It gets the blood boiling.
You're more like a pacifist. You just like watching the drama.
Yeah, I mean, I'm a gossip monger.
Yeah, I mean, as long as we're not involved,
Gossip,
I
war,
could
monger,
give a fuck.
whatever it is.
You guys are having a podcast with just another Delhi auntie right now.
Yeah. आजकल कोई नया शो नहीं आ रहा. वो ईरान ने शुरू कर दिया भाई. आज टेलीकास्ट आएगी इसकी.
तो ये इसमें गॉसिप क्या लेटेस्ट गॉसिप क्या है कि इजराइल और ईरान की लड़ाई क्यों who's behind these and is it a proxy war?
Are you team Israel? Are you team Iran?
Yeah, what are the alliances that are going to be
The
drawn up?
conspiracy theories.
Yeah, what are the blocks? Right, because like Iran is ostensibly Russia allied, and like maybe China gets involved in all of that. If there were to be a World War III,
surprisingly, Russia, China are quiet on this. They're saying
Right.
ki,
Yeah.
I mean, Russia has their own fucking problems to deal with.
yeah,
But no, my father and I were discussing this in the morning. He is of the opinion Russia, China will not say anything because it
Yeah,
suits
I don't
their global agenda.
yes,
US is in a fix because they've been the
Yeah, I think
millennial-
it'll all fizzle out, honestly.
and the millennial crowd of America is like totally pro Hamas and not pro Hamas but
they're
anti-Israel, right? In the Israel Hamas fight. And now because of this act of war, it'll be interesting to see what they say. Because I can bet you guys my testicles that the average youth,
We'll take that in writing.
the average youth of America, those woke idiots are still going to say that Israel is wrong. Whereas in this particular act, Iran had no business like launching 200 missiles, man.
but
200
Iran का तो
missiles.
retaliatory measure
Yeah,
था ना,
190 should have done the trick.
नहीं बट ईरान को इजराइल ने किया ही क्या है रिसेंटली वो
Yeah,
तो
but वो
हमास के साथ लड़
they've
रहे
been waiting for an opportunity for a while, though, to be fair.
हैं या
No, this whole area, the
Ayatollah
Middle East
wants to
system.
flex his muscles basically after the whole nuclear program.
मेरे को तो समझ नहीं आता कि दोनों तुम शवरमा वगैरह खाते हो, तुम दोनों अपने fucking make a hummus, enjoy, have a good meze platter and just take a chill pill, man.
Yeah, take it,
Smoke a
but
shisha.
फर्क BPM का
It's
है
all it's the Middle East.
फर्क BPM का है.
फर्क BPM का है, हाँ.
वो 60 से नीचे 116 से
वो
ऊपर
116
सुनते
से
हैं.
नीचे
वो हरामी है साले.
और ये Middle East में भी
इजरायली 200 के नीचे जाते ही नहीं है
Yeah.
The electronic music
Tick, tick,
is
tick,
fucking
tick, tick.
yeah really big in
तो
in
बस
the
BPM
Middle
का ही
East.
चक्कर है.
in where?
In the Middle East, like
In Israel,
in Israel, it's,
yeah,
सालो half time में गाना
Israelis
बनाना।
love to rave, bro.
but even in Dubai, dude, it's really big.
अगर गोलियां भी चल रही तब भी वो rave करते रहेंगे.
Even in Dubai, it's big, dude. Electronic music, yeah,
I know. October 7th में.
yeah.
No, Dubai, it's becoming really big. He's right.
What?
Electronic music.
Rave culture.
Rave culture, bro. A lot of these EDM and trance fests and all are coming up now outside the main Dubai city.
Crazy. There are festivals where you can become transgender.
Yeah.
That's nice, man.
Even that is good.
Rainbow.
Yeah,
shit, man.
India also doesn't allow drugs.
It's a very strong law in Dubai.
Yeah, I've.
They're tripping on baklava. They have baklava and they're tripping
Dude, I'm sure you could get like ecstasy and whatever the hell else in
Like,
Dubai.
a lot of people
Like,
still,
there's no
like,
chance
chill,
you
like
can't.
drinking and partying and stuff.
अरे
also,
सब
but, like,
कुछ
yeah.
मिलता है सब जगह यार. There's no place in the world जहाँ नहीं मिलती चीजें.
हाँ, exactly.
मिलता
प्लग
है
होता है, हर चीज का प्लग होता है यार हर जगह.
Plus, bro, अगर जेल में गांड मराने के लिए तैयार हो तो everywhere is a paradise.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, in fact, Dubai, mein, I would be scared to do anything like that though.
In jail?
No, it. Jail se
No,
nahi
that
डरता
he's
मैं.
open to. He's open to the experimentation. खोलो देखो. तिजोरी ही तो हूँ.
Jail is fine. Breaking the law is a problem.
हुसैनी बेबम.
तो मैं बहुत आराम चीजें करता हूँ यार.
But yeah, man. मैं तो पहले भी तुम लोगों की बातें जो सुन रहा था, I really wanted to jump in 2-3
We know.
areas. I had
We know.
Bro, I've got such good jokes and all prepped, man.
Dude,
in my
हमेशा
head,
से यही
they
होता है.
all-
I'll rewatch it और तब मेरे को जोक याद आता है. मैंने ये क्यों नहीं बोला मैंने?
तो सुनाओ.
नहीं, अब मैं भूल गया हूँ. I will have to get back into the flow.
So basically, what you have to do, what we all do, is you got to make notes and come to the.
Yeah.
Do we?
First time, next time.
I don't know. Maybe you
Look
need
at
to.
us checking our phones. all the
Maybe you
time.
need to.
मेरे लिए तो ये ट्रायल रन है. Don't worry, guys.
हमारे लिए अभी ट्रायल ही चल रही है.
If all goes well, I will become a regular feature.
Yeah, let's fucking go.
मैं पीछे मैं उनकी मूर्ति के उसकी फोटो के नीचे खड़ा दिखूंगा हर एपिसोड में ऐसे दरबान की तरह.
हाँ, guarding him, हाँ, obviously.
Bouncer, bro.
हाँ,
तो वो मुकुट लगा लियो हमारा.
Oh wow.
हाँ.
Yeah.
भाई पुटिन दिख नहीं रहा.
Putin अंदर इससे मेरे
वो
shelf पे
सो
बैठा
रहे हैं. वो अभी उन्होंने छोले भटूरे लस्सी उन्होंने पेला है, तो रेस्ट करें अंदर.
मैं I like to keep their appearances a little, you know.
वो बंदे की वैल्यू रहनी चाहिए. पुटिन थोड़ी हर बार आएगा जी पॉडकास्ट पे. स्पेशल गेस्ट है वो यार. कभी कभी आएगा.
In fact,
इन दोनों की जैसा वेला.
उसको रशिया यूक्रेन नहीं देखना अभी.
like you rightly said, आयतोल्ला को डालना चाहिए था. तो you know.
Yeah.
Bro,
Next
रशिया
one,
यूक्रेन अब पुरानी बात हो गई है. It's now going to become all about this
The hot war in the Middle East. Let's fucking go.
because
गॉसिप में यही है.
बाइडेन एंड ट्रम्प दोनों की इलेक्शन भी इसी पे डिपेंडेंट है.
But that's weird because, you know, typically the left has been anti-war, and right now Donald Trump is the more anti-war candidate, and like Biden is like gung ho, let's go military.
But Biden is
industrial
doing it
complex.
to overcompensate for all the fuck ups he's made in the last few months, which is
Yes.
like
not being alive, being a
Bro,
dead man walking. Yeah,
abhi-
yeah.
Being senile in general.
he turned Easter into trans representation day or something. Bro.
Right, I saw that.
I mean,
saw
how
that.
can
That was
you-
pretty funny. Yeah.
Wait,
Arey,
Easter Day.
He got it wrong.
Easter Sunday, he woke up on. In
Why
the
then
morning.
could he
No.
not choose any other day in the whole year?
Because
announced
I'll tell you,
today's
I've
trans
understood this,
representation
bro. He is well intentioned. He got it wrong. Now Jesus changed from a Jew to a Christian. Now वो दूसरा वाला trans Biden जी मान के wrong trans.
Yeah. Easter is when he came back from the dead, is it?
Yes.
Yeah.
When he rose.
Right.
Sunday.
3 days after. Yeah.
I mean, speaking of Jesus, bro, one thing I just want to like. No offense to anyone out there,
Too late.
but to me, I just genuinely feel that it's really surprising how. I mean, if you read all the Jesus literature, doesn't he like come off as someone who?
Jesus
I've read the Jesus
schizophrenia or
manga.
something?
I've only seen the Jesus manga really.
Sorry, what was he saying?
Not sure.
Jesus comes off as someone who suffered from like some psychotic episodes, like
Dude, I feel like all the
schizophrenic
prophets
episodes,
did,
right?
That's every fucking
Like
prophet.
Farishta आया था.
randomly look up at the sky, start crying, Father, 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 forgive them. That's like a bad acid trip, bro.
Yeah. He was hallucinating actually.
Bro, it's just one of those things where, you know, back in the day, you had fucking mental illnesses. Fucking, you could be a fucking prophet,
my
bro.
God.
Yeah.
Where
If you're
he fights with everyone.
if you're neurodivergent, you're the prophet.
Exactly.
You know, fucking. If
I mean,
you're-
all isn't it kind of sus?
Yeah.
Friday ko he died. He came back on Sunday, bro. He behosh हो गया बंदा. He
Yes.
got
वो
wasted
वो
on
नशे में
Friday.
धुत था, man, yes.
He got absolutely trashed. ये मेरे साथ भी हो चुका है.
PCP
मतलब मैं
करके
थोड़ी-
हार्ट फेल हो गया होगा, वापस आ गया.
Yeah.
मतलब ये
He
तो
was
मेरे साथ
party
भी हुआ है.
fasting.
मैं थोड़ी भगवान बन गया फ्राइडे पे भोज
Even-
होके संडे पे उठना.
Even the commandments, love thy neighbor, it's a very acid feeling, bro. एक दूसरे, we are all brothers, हम सब प्यार में जिएंगे, ऐसे.
It's a Pornhub category, bro. Love thy neighbor. क्या बात कर रहा है?
Even Jesus.
Oh yeah, that's also a Pornhub
Holy
category.
shit.
Wait. There's evangelical porn on there? I've been missing out. Knock knock. Do you have a moment to speak about your Lord's dick in my mouth? Something like that.
Yeah, but I mean, see, for Israel, I think the easiest way to defend it is just send a few trans people to Iran. And they'll trigger
They'll
the fuck out
evacuate.
of themselves and kill themselves or do something, bro. How did this happen?
Yeah, and the US is very interested in getting a lot of these gender blending recruits now, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, dude, they do it in their ads as well.
The new
They're advertising with like
2 साल पहले वो तो सब पागल हो गए थे रशिया और यूएस की एड्स कंपेयर करके है ना
yeah.
US is a shit show, bro.
yeah well I mean yeah, I think
Yeah.
they're going to
He had a
Jesus
good
always
he had a good agency. Yeah, he got a good team.
Jesus, yeah, marketing is off the charts. That
No,
man.
but Team Biden, Team Donald.
Team Trump, of course,
Team
Trump.
Donald.
Same,
Yeah.
Trump, man.
Trump
Yeah.
all the way.
DJT all the way, yeah.
Like,
Dude, Biden won't survive his term.
Dude, gold toilets, hookers.
Yeah,
let's
Biden-
fucking- Yeah, he's got it
so
all, man.
earlier for me, I used to like get a joke out of it saying yes, Trump, Trump, Trump.
Uh-huh.
But now it's like the reverse, bro.
Yeah, because
Biden is the
right now,
joke,
yeah.
Yeah.
and Trump is like the actual decent candidate. Who thought?
Yeah, but I mean, I'm not fond of electing 2 octogenarians. I don't want to be choosing between 2 fucking dicks, you know?
Yeah, there should be somebody else. I
Yeah,
think.
really.
Yeah.
I mean, RFK is
Fucking
fine, but even he
80-year-old
put
guy.
fucking
Yeah.
shitty
No,
stuff.
but
Yeah.
Trump is fine, bro. He's like, have you seen his golf swing? He's a beast.
Yeah, that's what you want from
It's all those.
president.
It's all
That's how
those.
I judge my fucking presidential candidates. Like, how good is your golf swing?
It's all
Bro,
those
do you
big
know his
Macs.
handicap, bro?
But I think it's like इसकी fitting नहीं, hitting अच्छी होनी. But yeah, man, Trump all the way. I think honestly, in the last 1 year, जो बंदे ने अपने at least ideas रखे हैं, ढंग के ideas हैं. ये नहीं पता कच करेगा उनका या नहीं, but ideas are good.
Trump is the new Bernie Sanders.
I mean, the only idea that's worth it is anyways remove Biden. So
Yeah, that man is.
Dude, yeah.
He
Biden
should,
is
he
helping
should have
with
been
that,
dead
though.
10 years ago.
have you guys seen what Trump is doing these days? Last 2 days on all his conferences and those rallies, he's actually standing up towards the end of his speech and he's imitating Joe Biden.
That's
And
bro,
the-
that's gonna be a riot.
The imitation is
That's gonna
him
be-
literally walking to one side and then
Getting
looking
confused.
around and then walking into the wall at the back. looking around.
Bro, Sleepy Joe. Sleepy Joe is the best fucking nickname you could come up with for that man.
I love that, bro.
and Crooked
That's
Joe.
cute.
What an
Crooked Joe
entertainer.
also.
What an entertainer.
Yeah.
ये मतलब प्रेसिडेंट भी है, राजू श्रीवास्तव भी है. सब कुछ कर लेता है ये बंदा.
Bro, Rahul Gandhi is a better candidate for leader of a country than Biden.
Yeah. And that's saying something.
Yes.
There we go.
Oh.
That's pretty nuts. Yeah, that man should be fucking retired. He should be put out to pasture, bro. Like sitting on a wheelchair, smoking a pipe in a farm. That's fucking Joe Biden. Yeah, he's got to be fucking.
Then somebody comes and shoots him in the head in the back while he's having a good time. You know, just end it.
They should have a rule.
Don't let
yeah.
him suffer either. You know,
They should
let
have
him
a
have
rule.
his cigars, whiskey.
Bro, they should have a rule. If you are tripping more than on a staircase more than once, you're not allowed to become president. Simple.
They found cocaine in the White House.
They found
yeah.
coke in the White House.
Where else will they find
This,
it?
this was like a while ago, no? Yeah.
Oh fuck, मेरी
Yeah,
coke where रह गई?
Who could it have been? Definitely not the
Couldn't have been
president's
Hunter.
I was
not,
very
not the
messy,
president's
guys.
crackhead.
Dude,
son.
imagine being
No.
the plug to the fucking president.
Huh?
It must have been the dog.
Yeah.
Oh, it must have been his son.
That's
He's his son.
Yeah, his son is a huge cokehead.
Yeah,
Yes,
his
thank
son,
you.
Hunter.
the fucking prostitute, fucking meth addict, fucking
Russian fucking donation
guy.
receiver.
Fucking this fucking
Ukrainian,
fucking-
yeah.
Right, yeah.
Burisma. Yeah.
Bless
But
you.
yeah, Hunter Biden is
Russia
coke
soon.
addict. Apparently, his daughter wrote that diary.
Which diary?
Some diary they found in America. Someone actually moved into a house, and one of the rooms, apparently that house was rented by Joe Biden's daughter and a couple of her friends. And one of the rooms had a couple of items from Joe Biden's daughter's suitcase or whatever.
Joe Biden has a daughter?
Yeah, he
Yeah,
has
yeah.
a
And this
daughter
idiot
two
left her
sons.
diary behind.
Oh.
Bro, this idiot has a habit of leaving a lot of shit behind.
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds very
It's a
personal.
family
Excuse
thing,
you.
right? It's a family thing.
I am offended right
That's why
now.
they get it from his
The son
from their dad.
leaves. The son leaves bags of coke, and the daughter leaves incriminating diaries.
And बाप अकल छोड़ आता है.
तो डायरी में
डायरी में
क्या
क्या
था?
लिखा था?
डायरी में लिखा था कि वो मतलब कि she had written apparently allegedly written about her being in the shower with Joe Biden as a kid, obviously. You
Oh
know,
my.
having a kid. No, but not in that way. Not in that way. You know, I mean, as a kid, when you're having a bath, your parent gives you a bath, something
Right,
like
right.
that.
Okay.
But apparently, she wrote in the diary that she was touched inappropriately. So
Oh.
it could all be just propaganda. Also,
Is
from
it even
Trump.
her diary for sure?
I mean, the guy and girl who found the diary, that girl basically apparently gave it to a friend of hers to sell. He called up Ashley Biden, and he's got her on a video recording saying that the diary is hers, and she's threatening him that, listen, I don't want to get the Secret Service involved, so you better return my diary.
No, that's wild.
And
Yeah, crazy.
both of them are now in jail for 30 days.
Why would she like his daughter's dumb as hell, bro? Why the
Yeah.
hell would she say that is my? She could just say like,
पहले she left it. Then she admitted to it.
yeah.
Bloody genius. Clearly it's genetic.
But I mean, yeah, I don't even know if this kind of thing will have an impact on the way people vote.
Dude, I don't understand why this kind of shit is allowed to be admissible in court, because now with AI and shit you can just fake anything, deep fake her.
डायरी को कैसे deepfake
So
करेगा?
I don't think.
What do you
this
mean
is-
डायरी को कैसे deepfake करेगा? Just write a diary and say ये किसी और की ने
अरे
लिखी
but
थी.
उस औरत ने
हाँ,
बोला कि मेरी-
forgery is OG
So that's
deepfake.
what you can deepfake, na?
Yeah, but that's.
Oh, the video you can deepfake.
But
is what
we
you're
are discussing the court of public opinion, so no, there's no this one
Yeah.
rules to it, right? Anything is admissible in the book.
Because anyway, like a trial would, if there were to be a trial for whatever, I don't even know what
There
there
was
would
a
be
trial.
for.
Even
There was a trial, but
In
on the
this
guy
But I
and
guess
girl
she
who
would be the
stole.
one that would have to press charges. I think.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah.
So she or the government pressed charges or whatever, and they got the guy and girl who had the diary. They got them convicted 30 days each in jail.
There you go.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, for Ghapla.
Leader of the free world.
I want to see what I want to hear what Alex Jones has to say about all of this.
You could probably hear him talk about it.
Yeah, but
Good one.
Probably, I mean, like,
is that an
probably has
option?
talked about
I
it.
don't know that that's an option.
nice, smart, good one.
I mean, I meant like he probably hasn't skipped over this.
Big
topic.
diss.
and the crazy thing is now that
Big discernment.
earlier Fox News used to be like the joke news channel,
Acha.
and now roles have been reversed.
It's MSNBC.
CNN.
Like every channel that's pro dem is literally going gung ho against Trump and like fabricating news or whatever.
Yeah,
No, but this was certainly the case even when Trump was in office with the whole Russia collusion thing.
But it was
clearly he's
against
not a
Trump.
Russian plant, yeah. I mean,
It was
they-
against Trump always,
Yes,
and now it's become for Trump and against Biden. In fact, a lot of these YouTube
Wait,
news
so-
channels,
for Trump क्या कौन हो गए हैं?
bro, there are a lot of these YouTube news channels
Right.
which are pro dem, and they have started speaking out independently that the Democrats are wrong. The Democrats are wrong.
Bro, because again, like, you know, if RFK wanted to contest within the Democratic Party apparatus, they just didn't let him. So he's got to make this third party. So within the Democratic Party also, you just don't let anyone else be a real viable candidate. So that's
Dude, deja vu हो रहा है मेरे को ये सुन के. It reminds me of our situation.
Yeah, it's quite similar in that way.
But
No viable candidate.
We'd also do really, in effect, we also have
नहीं,
a
but
two-party
हमारी
system.
हमारी अलग है यार. We have parliamentary
And
Yeah,
we
yeah.
are
politics.
we are
so
very,
where the party is elected and then they elect a leader.
bro.
Right.
And
We don't have a
But we don't have
candidates.
no viable.
But what resembles is that we do have a sort of two-party system in effect over here, and we do vote on the face of the candidate also as
Sure,
a public.
that's how you
So-
campaign, but it's not the same.
But no, the two,
Yeah, of course not.
bro, it
Yeah.
feels like a two-party system because there is no other big
Exactly.
party now.
There's
But
not
you know
even
what,
the
India?
second one.
It's a
Second one
one-party
ही नहीं है
system
अभी
in
तो.
India, bro.
हाँ.
अभी तो second भी नहीं
So
है.
the
हाँ,
small
वही तो.
guys have to get
There is no
together to
opposition.
become the opposition. Otherwise, earlier, if you remember Vajpayee and all the time, Manmohan Singh,
Yeah,
it used to be literally maybe 1/3 of the house was the ruling parties and the rest was opposition. All of it.
But even during
वो-
Vajpayee's time,
that was coalition
we
का
always had
time.
coalition.
Coalitions, yeah, exactly.
Coalition ही होती है हमेशा.
Yeah.
We've never had like outright
Yeah, yeah,
majorities
this is
up until
totally-
BJP.
Up
until, yes.
BJP. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but
Yeah.
Exactly.
see, this again speaks to power of marketing, bro. Ultimately, it was all a PR campaign, right? In 2014, that got them to do the kind of rallies they did. That got Modi to step out, really reach to the target audience.
He went everywhere. Bro.
Yeah.
So,
He went
No, yeah,
everywhere.
Yeah.
What did he say?
इस बार ट्रम्प सरकार
Oh really?
हाँ आपकी बार ट्रम्प सरकार हाँ, he said, yeah.
Why is he pandering to us?
Because there's a lot of us there,
No, because
brother.
the Indian American vote
Diaspora
bank,
is huge.
Yeah.
it's a big chunk, and a lot of them are Republican because we tend to be a little bit more
Yeah.
conservative in that regard.
Yeah.
That's true. The Indians, because I have a lot of family or friends that whatever live outside India.
Yeah.
The ones that leave in the earlier you leave India, you kind of get stuck a little in time over there, frozen. Aapke values,
Right.
they tend to be a little more conservative from the time that they left was when they were modern.
No,
and,
yeah, sure. And
Yeah.
even if you were to modernize or get more progressive compared to Western American, I don't know, like social relations, we're still more conservative compared to them.
absolutely.
Way more conservative.
Yeah,
bro.
Yeah.
I mean, even now, the most progressive of people
Yeah.
will have issues with a lot of things, bro.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And where you can really see it, I would say, is when you see someone who's really embraced the whole transformation of becoming transgender, right? You change your, whether it's physical or just internal.
I'd
Somebody
say
who's
the new
embraced
frontier is transracialism.
It could be. It can be termed as that.
Okay, transracialism is.
No, it can be term के है असली में भी लोग करते हैं.
होगा भाई.
I identify as a 41-year-old black
What was
man.
that guy? There's this white there's this English rapper.
You can do whatever you want.
Wanted to become Korean and he got his eyelids removed or something like that to become
Oh.
Korean.
Korean or added.
I
or
mean,
whatever.
gender I
Yeah, you'd have
get.
to get
Race
them
I.
added.
Added.
रिमूव कर देगा तो अफ्रीकन हो जाएगा भाई.
उसको बता उसने गलत कर दिया.
जो भी करा
उल्लू का
उसने.
पट्टा है वो.
Yeah, and then he apologized for trying to become
So
Korean.
बस आंखों से कोरियन हो जाता है वो.
बस वही उसके हिसाब से ये चल रहा था उसका.
Crazy.
नहीं उसने लंदन भी कटवा ली होगी अपनी.
So he doesn't need to. He can just become Korean. He doesn't need to
थोड़ी
do anything to his face. Like
It became a nunnu.
थोड़ी नुन्नी करा ली होगी उसने अपनी लंड से. Yes. That's so funny because one of my friends loves to say lulli, and I'm like, no, lund is like a lund, but like lulli is like
It's a small one. Yeah.
You say it,
Lulli,
man.
nunni. Yeah.
Nunni, na.
This one, Bhuvan says nunni.
I don't know anyone who says that.
Ribu says lulli.
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 Was he a Bengali thing? I guess.
नहीं उसकी छोटी है इसलिए इसलिए वो लुल्ली बोलता है.
I like to use.
Why do you know so much about all your friends' dick sizes?
Why he's a researcher?
Bro, I like to
He knows
use
his
Hindi.
super, huh?
Lauda.
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 वो थोड़ा यूपी वाला आ गया ना.
नहीं, Lauda is more like
What's wrong with Lauda?
Maharashtrian होता है Lauda.
लौड़ा होता है लोड़ा. हम तो लोड़ा बोलते हैं.
Lauda. These are all.
लौड़ा सब बोलो सब.
बस यही रील काट देना. Lauda.
Rajinder boys are always going to say Lada.
Rajinder Nagar.
Yeah.
Lauda.
Feel आती है यार. Low.
Lauda. Eh, Lauda. Little feminine.
Lulli is feminine, exactly.
Yeah. Lulli doesn't sound.
Yeah, it ends with an E, you know. it's
Lulli
got
sounds like a trans
वो
name.
हिंदी grammar है.
Sounds very schoolboyish.
Yeah.
कि
Talking about नहीं, never mind.
talking about it also
मम्मी-
feels very schoolboy.
हाँ देखा आप अपनी मम्मी से बात करो. मम्मी मेरी लुल्ली में दर्द हो रही है. ऐसे something like that.
कोई नहीं.
No, but you can't.
I've never had that
You
conversation.
can't even go and tell your parents, मम्मी पापा मेरे लौड़े में दर्द हो रहा है.
You can't say, you will not say do loda, bro.
कोई नहीं लुल्लेश बेटा.
I was a kid and staying in this lane and my neighbor is stuck in this.
Zipper.
Oh,
He got his nunni stuck in a zipper.
that happened to me when I was like 3 or 4 years old, bro.
That happened to me
Worst
one time.
experiences.
चड्डी पहना करो यार. Don't fucking raw dog your jeans, bro.
No. चड्डी पहनी थी. In fact, I was in a hotel, one of the Tajes, and I went to the washroom. You know, with my
मेरे
dad
तेरा भी
to
ताज
take
बाथरूम
a
स्टोरी
pee.
है मेरी तरह.
And actually, bhai,
Crazy.
I was 4. I wanted to like pretend, you know, कि bhai, I don't need to sit and all. I'm a kid. I'm a big guy. I'm a big boy now. तो भाई खड़े होके कर रहे थे बिना देखे एक्साइटमेंट में ऊपर कर दिया.
4 साल की उम्र में एक्साइटमेंट. Crazy.
बहुत ज्यादा बीटी हो गई.
Welcome to the club, bro.
Crazy. So
I joined it without any effort.
So this is nice. Billa and I both have Taj bathroom stories. You guys would like to complete the
I
series?
have a lot of bathroom stories,
Of
but I don't know if I
Taj.
can talk about them here.
Well, why not, man?
You can say whatever you
No
want.
holds barred.
It
bro.
involves
say
a lot
what?
of Nigerian friends and you know.
Okay.
Is that your category?
Oh,
On
acha.
Pornhub, Nigerian
I see where
friends.
This is going.
That's where you meet
Chhatapur
your
Nigerian
Yeah, I
friends.
understood.
Okay,
I'd say less. I
House
got
parties.
it.
Yeah, our last episode. That's the reason it was so funny.
Dude, this is what happened sometimes. I went to a Migos concert one time, and there was a longer line in the bathroom than there was people waiting for Migos to perform.
Longer line in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the bathroom, outside the bathroom.
Right.
Long lines. Yeah.
Lines everywhere.
There was a time when a lot of the clubs in Delhi and a lot of hotels in Delhi actually stopped allowing clubs to operate within the premises because of this issue.
Right.
That
Too much
the
population,
hotel washrooms
lines
would
too
end
big.
up getting claustrophobic and clogged with people because the club bathrooms are always full.
Yeah.
Now they just employed someone to
Yeah.
sell it within the property only.
Or I think now everyone's just become way more chill.
Uh-huh.
कि घर वर पे चले जाओ पार्टी कर लो
हाँ.
कमरा ले लो like that.
Yeah. Now people usually don't bring stuff to the club. They usually handle their business and then go to the club.
Yeah.
Usually.
वो तो क्लब में चेकिंग वगैरह भी होती है आजकल.
Yeah.
काफी.
But कितनी होती है bro अब तो
Oh, that's
going
nuts.
to the wrong
They
clubs,
put
bro.
their fingers in your wallet. That is so.
Fingers in your.
That
That
is-
they're putting up their fingers in your. I was not expecting them to say wallet.
ये होता
That
था.
is so invasive. Fucking
But ये
violative.
पहले भी होता था कि वो वॉलेट में उंगल वगैरह कर
As
रहे
soon
हैं.
as you say they put their
Can you
fingers
remove
into
your dirty
your,
socks?
you stop the sentence there, motherfucker. No.
You can remove your dirty socks from the fucking screen. Yeah.
No, magnetic fields is a festival, bro. So a festival
Camera.
will always have more.
From being
But
on
festivals,
camera.
matlab it's different. Sometimes some festivals, depending on when
dirty?
you go, like if you go like
Oh, just
really
'cause
late,
you don't like them.
then
they're
usually they get more
they're not
lax
dirty,
as the
this is
night
grey.
progresses.
Oh, right on.
शुरू में they're more
Bastard.
Bro,
I can see that.
Dirty socks, man. क्या पैर
you go to
Him as well.
नंगे पे चल रहा है.
so you guys
Say that again.
ओ यार उसके माँ बाप देख लेंगे ना
क्या?
बहन चोद
बोला?
राहुल की और गार्ड मार रहे हो और कोई
अच्छा,
नहीं।
bro you guys go to any festival one of those residentials magnetic हो गया
Yeah.
ऐसे जो होते रहते 2-3 दिन वाले वहां पे if you get caught with a piece a J or a piece of hash or something
Yeah.
some controlled substance they'll confiscate it right
Yeah.
but they don't want to ruin your experience or anyone else's so they don't throw you out
Yeah.
but if you go back to those security guys on the
To get
last
it back.
day they'll sell it back to you bro at like
Oh.
1/10 the cost
That's amazing.
That's sick.
like we've gone there
चल क्या रहा है यहाँ पे
we've
That's
gone
pretty
there
good.
and we've picked up 2 teas of some other person's piece
तो वहाँ जाके बस स्कोर करने चले जाओ पार्टी.
मतलब lost and found मतलब आप
भी
lost
नहीं
lost and found जाओ जो अच्छा लगे रिश्वत देके आप ले लो
हमारा गुम भी नहीं हुआ
That's the best way to get a good deal these days.
so होता है ब्रो चेकिंग इज लाइक अब नाम की चेकिंग होती है ब्रो तुम जब जाते हो अपने दोस्त के क्लब पे कोई चेक करता है तुम्हें नहीं ना
नहीं इसके वॉलेट में उंगलियां
Yeah,
जा
if
रही
you
हैं
know
तेरे को
the-
बात क्या कर रहा है
बट एक सेकंड तुम आज की डेट दिल्ली में कहीं भी चले जाओ दोस्त का ही क्लब है हर जगह किसी ना किसी की तो वहां पे पहचान है इफ यू आर गोइंग आउट विद समवन ऑलवेज सॉर्ट्स द सीन ब्रो but that's the only
Dude, that's
reason
the
why
vibe everywhere.
India is the place to set up businesses set up work do shit bro the next
जुगाड़.
next 5 years bro it's so easy to I mean ठीक है दूसरी countries में you may not have to like pay do things under a table like pay the authorities or anything to set up a
यहाँ
business.
भी वैसे ही हो जाएगा but yeah
here,
right now
here it's so जुगाड़ू तुमको वो शायद करना पड़ जाए
तो करना
But
पड़ता
वहाँ
है.
पे
करना
नहीं,
पड़ता
you
है।
नहीं कर सकते वो तुम इधर कर सकते हो
you literally cannot progress without it. I जो हमारा like there's this beat officer हमारे एरिया का and उसको मैं like हर महीने मैं उसको डिफेंस के ठेके से दारू लाके देता हूँ.
क्योंकि तो हर महीने उससे मिलता है क्योंकि तेरे को अंदर किया जाता है
that's like a favor you just doing
No,
something
but
nice
if I don't, he will fuck me. Like he has enough power. I mean, not like that.
like that also like that also
But I think that's a practice that's prevalent across the world in every country. No matter where you are, if you're working or
I look out
have
for
your
you,
own
you look
business,
out for me.
The authorities will expect a little, ki you take care of us, we'll be there for you.
Yeah.
But I have to say this: if you even take one step towards them, they take those 10 steps when the time comes.
Right. That's true. It's all. I mean, यहाँ पे तो I would always recommend कि like जितनी रिश्वत तुम दे सकते हो लीगली मतलब दे दो.
Thank you. Guys, जितनी रिश्वत आप दे
around
सकते
these
हो.
words, you know. I was trying to dance around by not using police and Delhi government and all that.
Thank
भाई
you.
ने सीधा
I'm just
पूरा
saying
खोल
तुम्हारा
दिया.
फायदा ही है
Thank you
इस
so
देश
much.
में.
Guys, जितना रिश्वत आप दे
Just
सकते हो
bureaucrat,
but
politician.
दे दिया
But
करो.
things are changing. Listen, things are changing and maybe in the future ऐसा नहीं होगा. But मैं अभी का सिचुएशन बता रहा हूँ कि मतलब अपना फायदा
Bro,
देखो.
तुम लोग घर को बीप करो ना करो रिश्वत को भेजो.
Dude, this is so freely saying it.
अब उसे पता ही है.
झूठ नहीं तुम हर बार में.
Bro, देखो तुम कुछ भी बोलो काम करना है अथॉरिटीज ने. अथॉरिटीज ने रिश्वत और बीट ऑफिसर्स हो ना उनको उस पे ज्यादा ट्रिगरिंग होगी एज कम्पेयर टू.
Right.
नहीं
Right, for sure.
मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि मैं देता हूँ. मैं कहता हूँ कि मतलब दुनिया में लोग देते हैं और उनका काफी
इसने
फायदा भी
अभी
होता
बोला
है.
है
अभी
कि मैं
तूने बोला कि तू देता है.
Shit, यार, I can't get out of this.
Literally after saying मैं देता हूँ, ये मेरी
I can't
personal
talk my way out of
recommendation
this
है.
one.
2 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think so.
It's a podcast. This is comedy. We're performing. Yeah. This is none of it is.
This
none
I'm
of
playing
it's
a
true.
character
It's an act.
actually.
This is an act.
This is all fiction.
My name is Roshan
Yeah.
Singh.
Yeah.
I'm playing a character.
See, he's anyway said he's going to be marketing this particular podcast. because
बस
he's
सब लोग
featured it.
देखेंगे.
So, there's going to be a fuckload of views.
बस हो गया.
5 million views चाहिए हमें.
Any resemblance to characters living or dead are purely coincidental.
Exactly. We do have a
And
disclaimer.
intentional.
And intentional. That's what the
Yes.
our disclaimer actually says.
I've
Intentional.
never read that.
It says intentional.
All right.
Yeah, amazing. Great sesh, guys.
Ram,
Thank,
Ram.
thank you, Billa. Thank you, Shiv. Thank you,
Thank
Akshay.
you.
Thank you, Shiv.
So I really want to thank you guys. Yeah.
You're also Shiv, right?
Like, you know, before we just end, I really want to thank you guys because for me, this was a learning session purely. Because I told Yuvraj the other day, we both had discussed this almost a year back, a little less than a year back at my house, that we want to do a podcast.
Go great, yeah.
एंड जब इसने बताया ना बिकॉज रिलेशन इतना सही है बंदा इतना सही है तो मैंने इसको सीधा बोला कि ब्रो इसने बोला वी वांट टू कम सो आई सेड या हम आके भाई वी आई वांटेड टू एक्चुअली कम सी what the flow is like, you know, what's the dynamic like,
I think we float pretty.
are there any rules of engagement, things like that.
ऐसे हाँ हाँ
Yeah, we're big on rules actually.
Yeah.
We're all about obeying the rules.
I'm glad, man. I'm glad.
Yeah,
We try to keep it free and you know.
Chill
experience,
experience,
chill
bro.
conversation. Yeah.
हम जैसे बड़े आर्टिस्ट को देख के लोग रिसर्च
Plus-
कर रहे हैं हमारे प्रोसेस के बारे
This is
में.
the kind of I genuinely I'm not saying this to like just you know kiss ass or something, but your guys' concept, which is just regular chill.
a
Normal,
hangout, man.
just another day,
Yeah.
kind of a session, guy talk. That is the thing that we were also discussing. That it's so natural that way. कि वो it just keeps going from one thing to the other to the other.
Yeah, it's just you know, it's just a regular day. We're just recording it.
Because we weren't before and we just came
we were
to a
just
point
having
where
these
just
conversations anyway, and then yeah.
We're like,
Sick,
बैठ के
bro.
करो. Yeah, why not?
तो तुम बिना कैमरा के माइक वाइक लगा के बैठ जाते थे.
and that's a wrap. Thank you very much.